Where's that Jezebel?
Samson.
Papa, where's Flora?
What is it?
Where's that fool? Where's she?
Who are you calling? What happened?
Where's Flora, Papa?
What happened? What happened?
Papa, there's fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain.
What happened, Samson?
My son,
What happened?
you are here.
Give me a minute.
And why are you shouting? What happened?
Where's that Jezebel?
Jezebel.
Papa, it's a long story, but I'm going to make it short. I wanted to use some money. I tried to access my account, but I could not. So I called my bank to find out what the problem is. Guess what? They told me that my wife got a court injunction to freeze my account.
Why?
For what reason?
I don't understand. Papa, I don't understand. What nonsense!
Just
She froze my account. Why?
calm down. She is here. Let's hear from her.
Who the hell is she?
Please, calm down, my son. Calm down.
Who the hell is she? Because I married someone else.
It's okay.
What nonsense!
Calm down, Samson. Calm down.
Who the hell does she think she is?
Yes. Okay, I'm waiting.
Hello?
I am waiting, please.
Flora. My son just told me something now. Is it true? I'm talking to you, you're answering call.
Just let me know when you're
Are you out of your mind? Why did you freeze my account? Have you gone mad?
It's alright, Samson.
Have you gone mad?
I'm waiting for you, okay?
Give me that phone.
No, leave her, leave her.
touch my
Leave
phone.
her,
Are you
Samson.
crazy?
Leave her, leave her.
He will touch your phone.
Why did you freeze my account?
He will touch your phone.
My son, leave her.
Why did you
Please, leave her. Leave her.
Leave her for what?
Why did you freeze my account?
Please let me hear from her, please.
Hear from who?
Papa,
She's
hear
not
from
even
her?
answering us.
Allow
Oh, you don't believe me?
I believed you. Please, let me.
You don't believe me?
I believed you.
Sorry, who the hell do you think you are?
No.
Don't
Please,
talk
Samson,
to me.
please.
Don't
Who the hell do you think you are?
If you want to
Samson,
talk
please.
to me, you talk to
Who-
me like you're
Who
responsible.
the hell do you think you
Don't
are?
shout.
Samson, please. Is
Don't
your
shout.
father talking to you?
Leave him alone to deal with this girl.
Papa, warn him. Mama, warn him.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Warn him.
Please let me.
Let me go.
Samson.
Mama,
Papa,
Papa,
I'm going to kill this girl.
Please.
I'm going to kill this
Let me
girl.
hear from her first, please. Let me hear.
Please. Hear from her. Why would she go and report to the
No,
police?
why are you?
Now why you're getting? Why would she do that? Why would you do that? And she's still making call though. She's still making call.
are you still coming?
Hello? Where? Oh, thank God you're here. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? Thank God you're here. You're welcome. I was about to call you. Sir, you stupid girl. You see the reason I fired her? She has been manipulating everybody. Can you imagine I called my bank to get some money to do something for the company and they told me that my account has been frozen. And when I investigated, I found out that she's the one responsible.
Samson,
Sir,
your time is up.
my time where, sir?
I am here to take my daughter home. Her time with you is over.
Sorry, sir. Who's your daughter, sir?
Flora, of course, is my daughter, my only child.
How's that possible, sir?
I have everything planned out just to get something.
Sir, what did you plan, sir? You had everything planned out. What, sir? I don't know. I'm trying to understand you, sir. What do you mean, sir?
I don't understand. Tochi, what is the meaning of this? Tochi, what are you doing?
Are you okay? Are you mad? You just came out and you saw food and you started eating. Are you sensible at all? Tochi, I went to the market, came back and I made this food.
That's nice.
And now you think you have monopoly over it?
That's nice.
Are you mad? Oh, Tochi, I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what?
No. Why Why this disrespect?
So
What is it?
No, I can't eat in my own husband's house.
So if you
Can't you say I'm pregnant?
You're pregnant.
Try this.
So because you're pregnant, you feel you can't cook. Then Toshi, stop. Please. Stop.
This guy, you want to be unfortunate. Don't upset me. Drop this plate.
Are you stupid? No, are you dumb?
No, you're the stupid one here.
What's it?
Can't you say I'm pregnant? Are you so blind?
You're pregnant,
No,
so
so
what?
Hey,
you
hey.
expect me to go into the kitchen and
Hey.
You're pregnant, so what?
What's going on here?
It's your stupid, who is your babe? It's your lazy, stupid wife. She can't even allow me to eat. She's insulting me because of food. Come on, give my friend, drop this food here. Look at her.
Can you imagine?
What's going on here?
Babe, I went to the market, came back, prepared this meal, dished it out for me to eat, went inside to get a cup of water, only for me to come out and she's eating my food.
And
Telling
so-
me that she's pregnant, and because she's pregnant that she has monopoly over every food in this house.
Yes.
What's that supposed to mean?
Did you buy the food with your money? Whose food is it?
Okay. Let's have it.
Is this your house? It is my money, right?
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah, that's all I have to say. Can't you see she's pregnant? Why are you so wicked? Huh?
Because she's pregnant, she wants to swallow everything in this house.
Are you this wicked? So you don't want her to feed? She's very hungry. She's carrying my child. You need to let her eat whatever she wants. Don't touch her again, or you have me to contend with.
Samson, I made this food.
I don't care.
Myself.
And so, because you made the food, I should go into the kitchen and cook.
Babe,
I can see you're very
I want to
stupid.
cook.
Are you stupid?
I'm
talking and you're still eating.
No,
Are you-
Flora,
Is something
I'm
wrong with
my
your
friend,
senses?
this is-
Don't even
Babe,
try me.
Are you
Don't
going-
even try me. See, leave this.
Are you the shameless?
Hey,
You're
hey.
shameless.
Hello.
You're a
You're
shameless
shameless.
one.
You're a
You are
shameless
you are the shameless one. You're very stupid.
Give me-
Because I've been keeping you calm.
Baby,
Because I've been
Flora,
keeping you
slap
calm.
me.
Because
Heaven will come
because I've
down.
been keeping you
Are you
calm.
alright?
Heaven will come down.
What's wrong with you?
You slapped me.
You're beating my wife right in front of me.
You slapped me.
Get out of this place. Get out.
Just like that. What do you mean get out?
Come
She will
back.
apologize
Come back
to me.
here. Come back here. How dare you slap her in front of me?
Yes, that's the man.
Don't you have respect? How dare you slap my wife in front of me?
A pregnant wife.
Have you gone nuts? Now apologize to her.
I will never.
What?
You heard me. Never.
What?
Never.
I said I apologize to her.
Hey.
Now, I'm talking to you, woman.
Samson, leave me alone.
I said apologize to her.
Samson.
I said apologize to her.
Oh, Coach Samson?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good day.
The new accountant. I had to introduce her to you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Young lady, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir.
So what's your name?
My name is Flora Udom.
Flora, though. Oh, nice one. I believe the general manager has given you an analytical insight of the company.
Yes,
so far.
please. Yes, sir.
Good. Beyond him being my general manager, he's also my son. So I want you to pay attention to his instructions, and then you must respect everything he said.
Noted.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Please give her further orientation about the company.
No problem, I'll do that, sir.
I appreciate it. All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
My God, what's happening to me? Since Flora started working in this company, I can't seem to get my mind off her. Does it mean I'm in love with her? But come to think of it, why should I condescend to her level? How can I love a girl who works under me? I actually employed her. But on the other way around, love doesn't count all of that.
I think I love her. What do I do now?
Good morning, Mr. Samson.
Good morning, Flora. Are you just resuming work?
No. I went to Frank's office to show him something.
Alright, that's okay.
Okay.
Flora,
Yes?
how busy are you? Are you too busy today?
Yes. Why do you ask?
I was hoping we do lunch together.
Oh. That would be nice, but I have some unfinished work that I need to get done with today. Maybe some other time. I mean, you just told me today, you know.
Alright, hopefully tomorrow.
Okay, we'll see how it goes. I'll be in my office. Honestly, sir, I really don't know how I'm gonna do this. I have piles of documents on my desk. If I leave it for lunch, anytime I come back, it's still gonna be here moping at me. Please, I really need you to understand. Meanwhile, this business you want us to talk about, can't we, discuss it over the phone, or you come to my office? So, the MD instructed me to send this ahead of time, and he gave me time, and the time is already close. Please. Alright, no problem. I'll see you then. Yeah.
Machi, I remembered you said you want us to talk. I'm here now. What is it?
Nanya, I'm worried.
Worried?
I'm worried.
What is the worrying all about?
I'm worried about our son, Samson.
Samson?
Yes.
What happened to him?
Hey, Nanya. What happened to him? Or are you pretending you don't know what I'm talking about? Eh, Nanya? Okay, since you claim not to have idea of what I'm saying, I am talking about Samson getting married. All his mates in this village are all married with kids. What is he waiting for? Is he still a young boy? He should get married and build his own family and give me grandchildren. And you are here doing as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Is it Samson still getting younger? Eh, Nani?
Machi, sometimes I don't like the way you talk. How do you mean I'm not saying anything about it?
Are you saying something about it?
Were you not here when I confronted him the last time he visited this village over this same issue? Were you not here? Did you not hear what he said?
Eh? I did not hear. Remind me.
Why are you shifting the blame on me now?
Are you not the father? Do something about it. I'm not shifting the blame on you. Do something about it. Because you people, your plan is for me not to see my grandchildren before I die. But it will not happen. I must see my grandchildren. If I wait for you people if I wait a little more, I will get a wife for him myself. My choice of wife. And he must marry that person. That is what I'm telling you now. As you refuse to act as a father you are.
Is that how you want it? It is okay. Thank God you know your son. He's your son. You know him very well. Anyway, two of you can sort this thing out. After all, I brought in a well-mannered girl into this house for Samson to marry. And you connived with him and chased her away. Now you are complaining. Eh? I don't want to talk about anything concerning Samson getting married again. All I know is that whenever he is ready and come back here with any girl, I will follow him to that girl's parents and do the needful. That's all.
You will follow him to whoever to do the needful. Even if the girl is a criminal or a wench or an amusu or an outcast, you will follow him to go and marry the girl. You people should go, let me see you. Follow him and go. Let me see you people.
Do you like the food?
Not bad.
Right.
So yeah, you said you wanted us to talk about business. So what's the business about?
I like you. To be honest, I love you. You don't have to judge me, I'll explain. So, from the point or the moment you applied to work with our company, I began to observe you. I began to watch you very closely. And trust me, I fell in love with you. I like how composed you are. You're very articulate. You're very smart. You're hardworking too. And to crown it all, you're the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. And I told myself that there's something about you. There's something striking about you that makes me feel like you're very special. You actually do look like your wife material. Give me a chance to get to know you better.
Wow. Is that how you do?
How do you mean?
No, like, are you usually like this? You just met me, not quite long. And here you are asking me to marry you. How does that sound?
Listen,
No, cause, I mean, you know nothing about my background, you know nothing about me. Yet you want me to marry you. How does that sound?
I know I might sound very forward, but the truth is, I don't have to know you for 10 years to marry you. I can, fall in love with you in one day. I mean, like I have. Just give me a chance, alright? I promise to make you happy.
Mr. Samson, I remember I told you I have a boyfriend and how far we've gone in our relationship.
Yes, I remember you said to me you have a boyfriend, but I have seen him. I have seen your boyfriend. He doesn't look like someone who can take care of you.
Says who?
Says me. You need to give me a chance to take care of you. Alright? Listen,
Okay, let's say for instance I give you a chance. And then I walk home and tell my boyfriend what? that I found someone out of the blues that I've decided to spend the rest of my life with the person. And then all the good time show up, just go down the drain just like that.
You said he's your boyfriend, right? And I said I want to marry you. There's a difference. He's just a boyfriend, and I want to be your husband. I'm more valuable.
Okay, Mr. Samson. Thanks for lunch. I have to head straight to the office right now.
Just like that, you're not going to give me a response?
A response?
Yeah. Flora.
Two different people coming together for love with two different plans.
After thinking about the idea you sold to me, I discussed this with my wife and we arrived at it to assign an official vehicle to Flora to appreciate her good work in the office. And the reason I asked you to stay here in the office is to witness that your brainchild is being carried out as you wish.
That's great.
Right, so in a jiffy she will come in because I've sent her to come.
That's great. So I must commend your kindness, and I'm very sure that she will be happy, about the new development. And she's actually excited to work with us.
Oh, I know. Let me just hope so. This is the document, so when she comes, we'll present this to her. Oh, here she is.
Sorry, sir, I'm late. I was trying to quickly round up with the meeting.
Let's sit down.
Okay.
Yes. An official car has been assigned to you to appreciate your hard work towards the company over a short period of time, assuming you are duty. Here is the documentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'm honored. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
That's all right. Everything you need is in that envelope. The car key and the papers. I would like to let you know that this is his brainchild, so you also thank him.
Thank you so much, sir. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, the GM will furnish you with other information as regards to enhance our activities in the office. There's a new development, so he will tell.
But by the way, it's a Mercedes. You're going to like it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. My goodness. Obiora, what is this? I don't get it. What is this? So if I hadn't asked you to bring this document, this is what you would have submitted to the MD? Did you even go through this? No, you didn't.
Sorry, ma'am.
I won't buy that. You didn't. You should be sorry, of course. Obiora, when dealing with finances, you ought to be very, extremely meticulous. What is this? Yet you call yourself a marketing manager. You can't give a proper account of the money that goes through your office.
Sorry, ma'am.
You're sorry. You're sorry. Now look at this. I want you to go through this. From here.
What are you doing here?
So
What are you doing here?
I wanted to...
Now get out.
Sorry, sir.
Get out.
Sorry, sir.
What was he doing here?
Oh, What was that for?
I beg your pardon? What was he doing here?
Why do you have to embarrass him like that?
Excuse me? The last time I checked, he is the marketing manager. He should be on the street searching for clients.
He is a staff in this company. He has every right to be in my office.
I don't care. I don't want to see him here again.
Get out.
What?
Get the hell out of my office.
Flora, are you out of your mind?
Get out.
Did you forget who you're talking to?
I don't care. Leave my office.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, yo. No, no, no. Falling in love with blood. Falling in love with
Dochi.
Dochi, look at you. Oh, look at you. You look good.
You look dapper.
Oh, thank you. When did you return from the UK?
Ah, UK. It's been 5 months. 5 months. Yeah.
You're not serious. You've been in this town for 5 good months, and you didn't bother to call me or to check on me. That's unfair.
Tochi, I lost your number. I ran into Paul. You know your guy,
Yeah,
Paul.
my ex, whatever. Yeah.
I asked him for your number, but he said he lost your contact as well.
Oh, that's fine. Paul and I are no longer together. Let me give you my number.
Please do.
Okay, give me yours.
Okay, 081
Yeah.
399 86
Okay.
749.
Oh, perfect. I'll give you a call. Okay, I'm
Wow.
calling. I'm calling. Is your phone here?
Yeah, of course. I have it right here. Okay.
Okay, that's it.
So good
So
to see you. I will call you because
What are you doing
this is my company's warehouse.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
I came to supervise some things.
That's fine. You're working
Yeah.
now. Oh my god. Anyways,
Good to
I
see you.
have
Okay.
to run.
All right, let me run along
chat.
as well. Okay, bye.
Bye, baby.
Wow, Tochi.
That's my girl.
So dramatic. Okay, let me save your number.
Are you still mad at me?
No, but honestly, I don't like the way you handle things. Obiora is an adult. You shouldn't have spoken to him the way you did. It's not nice.
Corrections accepted. But the truth is, I don't dislike him. I just don't go with the flow, you know, sometimes. I feel like he acts very unprofessional. Especially when, you know, the MD is around. He just acts like, you know, he knows too much. He does a lot of eye service, and I feel like that's inappropriate when it comes to work ethics, you know.
Well, I haven't noticed any act of unprofessionalism from him. Or you said eye service. The little I know, he's not a psychophant. He's just a guy, a young guy who is striving to do better. You should encourage him, not making him feel less of himself. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie if I say that I wasn't scared. I mean, if I decide to give you a chance today, is this how you're going to be scolding me at every slightest thing that I do?
Oh, come on, don't get ridiculous.
Yeah, but that is it. That's
No,
what it's saying.
you don't have to say that. This is a different situation here.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. I mean, I don't expect you to say that. Listen, I totally understand how you feel, but I mean, I can't disrespect the woman I love. Okay? I'd rather love you. I'd rather support you. I'd rather, you know, be patient with you. That's what love is about. Please. You can't hurt someone you love. And I love you. And don't see this as an avenue to shut me down. Of course, I want you to give me a chance. And I promise you that I'm never going to hurt you if you give me a chance. Please.
Well, I'm going to see if I can, you know, I'll try. Let's see how it goes.
Alright, thank you.
But my issue right now is my boyfriend, Gozie. Because we've dated for 5 years. 5 years of relationship. I can't just stand and watch it go down the drain.
Come on. That's you keep talking about this guy. This guy has nothing to offer you. I'm here to take good care of you, and you've been with him for 5 years and he hasn't asked you to marry him. What kind of relationship do you guys have? I just met you and I love you and I want to get married to you. Listen, ask him to go because he has nothing to offer. He's going to keep wasting your time, and I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to give you love, to give you everything you deserve. Okay? I want to be with you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much, Flora. Don't turn me down.
You know, like I said earlier, let's see how it goes. I'll see if I would give you a chance. Okay? But just let me handle everything myself. I'll see how to talk to my boyfriend. Just let me handle it.
Listen, I totally understand you want some time to handle this. But trust me, I can handle it if you want me to handle it.
No,
I
please.
can ask him to back off.
No. Just let me.
No, can I do it?
Do not get involved. Okay? I'll handle everything myself. At my own pace, please.
Alright, that's fine. I'll give you some time to do that.
Good.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no, no, no. Falling in love with plan. Falling in love with plan. This plan, see your heart. Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work?
Samson.
Sir.
Insofar as I take you to be my son, I also want you to know that I was born a child, but I was not born in the night.
Right.
I've observed for some time now that you have a passion for the new account officer, Flora.
My boss, you're not far from the truth. The first time I met her in your office, I got very interested in her. And ever since I've been trying to get to know her better. And I'm still trying to.
Well, I would stand in for you like a father would to a son. I would like to know what you have in mind before sorting her for her opinion on this. You know, I want to know, is it because she's beautiful and elegant that made you fall in love with her, or because you found some qualities in her that you would need in a woman?
So the truth is, my parents are on my neck to give them grandchildren. And she strikes me like someone who's well behaved. She's very respectful. So far, you know, some of my interactions with her has shown that. And most importantly, I feel like I don't want to be seen as irresponsible in the office because I do not have a wife. So I feel like I need to do the needful in order to, you know, make my parents happy. On the other hand, in the office, I am seen as a single person, and I feel like one of the, you know, criteria to climb one's career ladder in an establishment like us is, you know, you have to be responsible, you have to be married, and you also have to have a family. So I'm assuring you that I'm not just looking out for her beauty, and I really want to settle down in order to make my parents happy and also to be a responsible man. Yeah.
Well, you've said it all, but I would want to seek her opinion. Like I said, I would go all for you, for your sake. But I need you to promise me that you keep your promises with her.
Yes.
No matter what may come your way.
I promise. I promise to do that. I promise never to hurt.
Rita! Rita!
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with this plan.
Sorry.
Hi.
Are you the one looking for me?
Hi. Yeah. I am. How are you?
I'm good.
Great.
Please, who are you and how may I help you?
How much?
How much?
Yeah.
For what?
How much do you want? Name your price.
I don't understand. Did we do any business that I'm unaware of and you want to pay me?
I mean, we don't have to be business partners. I feel like you need the money. I'm trying to give it to you. So tell me, how much do you want?
I don't understand.
Alright, fine. I'll make you understand. You see, Flora told me you're her boyfriend. And you're the only obstacle I have from getting married to her. So name your price. It's your lucky day.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Totally fine.
You're telling me you drove all the way from wherever you're coming from to come to this place and ask me such useless question?
Oh, it's not a useless question. I just want to know how much you want so I can pay you off. She said you're the only obstacle I have. So, name your price.
Obviously, you're not okay. And now let me tell you, my Flora, the love of my life, is not for sale. Get that into your thick skull.
Okay, see, I actually came here to have a conversation with you. A very peaceful one. Alright? Like a gentleman. But I can see you're acting stubborn. Why? Just take the money and walk away.
You are a fool. I can't be having any conversation with a fool. You're not okay.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with this plan. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work? No. Falling in love with this plan.
What is happening? What was that man thinking about? Could it be true that my own Flora is planning to get married to him? And I didn't notice it. No. It can't be true. That man is an agent of destroyer. But wait, he was even asking me how much he would pay me to leave my Flora for him. For that man to come here and say that means something has been going on between them behind my back. And I do not know.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with this plan. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work? No. Falling in love with this plan.
Sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, what can I offer you? So I can let go.
Sir, thank you. I'm okay. Thank you so much.
I've observed that you and Samson are acquainted. And I've asked Samson, he confided in me. What do you have to say about
it? Yes, he asked me out, but I haven't accepted yet.
Why?
So, the thing is, I actually do like Samson. I don't know how it's gonna feel if I just walk up to him and tell him that I have someone interested in me that wants to marry me and, you know, do away with whatever memory that we've shared together. True, I like Samson, but I can't just meet Gozie with such bad news. It's gonna hurt so bad, considering the fact that he hasn't really done anything to me. So that's why I've been so skeptical about the whole situation. Basically, yeah.
Flora, could you recall the first day in office, what I told you?
Sir, you said quite a whole lot that day. I really can't recall which precisely.
Well, that's pardonable. But I did tell you that Samson is more or less like my biological son. And I would go all out to make sure that he's happy. And that is exactly what I'm doing right now. You know, I have asked Samson what his wishes are. He told me, in confidence, that the only thing that can make him happy for the rest of his life is getting married to you. And I think alongside with him, I'm asking you to not to, brush off his proposal, like he said before now, that you've been skeptical about it. I want you to consider his proposal most importantly, because with three of you in my office and in that company, you would lift that company to the greatest height. That has been my dream. Getting two smart kids like you would be a perfect thing, and the first thing that will happen to me in the history of my company. I wouldn't want you to argue with me. I just want you to simply accept his proposal and let's see how that will fly. And as for your boyfriend, I will give him an offer that he can never, ever reject. An offer that has never been made to him for the rest of his life.
Wow. So if I heard you right, sir, you want me to be with Samson solely because you want us to build your company together?
Well, partially.
And you don't even care if Samson is my optimal choice. You just want me to be with him because you feel having the both of us together would make your company metamorphose into something big due to our efforts. Like I said, I have a boyfriend. I am in a relationship. And my happiness matters to me. Somehow I feel you think you can beat me around. Probably you think I don't have someone solidly behind me. Someone who stands as a backbone, a supporter, someone to speak for me. You probably think you can maneuver and make me do your bidding.
I bet you are getting it wrong. At this point, I think you should have a paradigm shift, like having social intelligence, in line with what we are discussing. You do not have someone to cling to profitably. That's what I want you to look at. And I am offering you one, something someone could always wish for herself. And you are here, trying to shift from the line. I want you to be happy. as much as I want Samson to be happy too. And as for your boyfriend, I've offered to give him a whole sum, something he cannot say no to, and then he is comfortable on his own side. With all this in place, I would want you to also think of the bigger picture, Samson.
It's okay, sir. I would think about it and let you know.
Well, it's okay to think. But while thinking, you should also consider that I'm involved. Well, duty calls.
Babe, are you telling me the reason your MD asked you to come to the house is to tell you what you just told me?
Yes.
What is all this? What kind of conspiracy is this?
Conspiracy? What do you mean by conspiracy?
Yes, a young man was at the gate today. He was telling me, in fact, warning me to end whatever I have with you. That you are his woman and you both are planning to get married. And I'm the only obstacle on the way. He even offered me money. Yes, to leave you for him. Now you're here telling me that this is the same reason your MD called you. Babe, please. Is there anything going on between you and that guy? Huh? I'm confused. I'm losing my mind. Please, tell me.
There is nothing going on. Nothing. I'm outside your house.
Why are you here? Why can't you just go inside? Why are you standing out here?
Samson, what is wrong with you?
Let's go inside and talk.
What is wrong with you? Why would you go to my boyfriend's house to harass him? Telling him to stay away from me. Why?
Oh, come on, babe. I thought we sorted this out the last time we had lunch.
No. We sorted nothing out. I don't like this. Why would you harass my guy?
Calm down.
You told me that you wanted to date me. I said, let's see how it goes.
Right. But you promised to give me a chance, right?
No. I said I will see if I can give you a chance.
I will.
Samson, please. Take my boyfriend out of this. Allow me handle things myself.
Okay, that's fine. But at least can we go inside and... Okay, listen, I'm sorry, but you need to calm down, okay?
Fine. See you at work.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with plan. Falling in love with plan. This plan, see your heart. Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna?
Honestly, honey, I'm not happy and comfortable with this decision.
What decision are you talking about?
I mean about Flora and Samson getting married. You don't know anything about that girl. Not to talk of you knowing anything about the parents. How can you pay the two of them?
Honey, this is what you don't understand. Both of them will make perfect marriage. They're a perfect match from my own judgment.
Let me ask you this, honey. From the way that girl was sounding, did she talk like someone that is interested in that marriage? Like someone that wants to really marry Samson? Or are you trying to cage her into that relationship just because she's your staff? What if something bad happens along the line? What will you say or do?
Honey, relax. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. If these two people come together and finally marry each other, it will give my company a facelift that never happened for the history of my company. These two are perfect kids I've ever seen before. Now, So I am working on both of them to be in that company and give it the perfect function. I have a lot of competition in the labor market, and if these two people are there and finally marries each other, they will never mess up in that office because that's where they're in. And even if the man is not there, I know Flora is a fast learner. She will learn the business fast and become a perfect person even when the other one is not there. So these two are better together. That's the bigger picture.
Honey, can you just listen to yourself, can you? I just hope you know what you are saying or what you are doing. Because as for me, I'm not comfortable with the whole idea. I'm not. Why don't you just, allow the girl to marry her own choice of man than paying the two of them because of the, protecting your company? I even heard that girl had a fiancé, someone that she's already engaged with. If she now gets married to Samson, what will happen to her fiancé? What will you say?
I know about the relationship, okay? I'll fix this. Trust me when I say that. Can you please change this topic to something else? I beg of you.
Fix this how? What other thing do you want us to talk about?
I am the man. When I say I fix things, know that will fix it.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no, no, no. Falling in love with plan. Falling in love with plan. This plan, see.
Girl, what's here? Yeah. Are you good? You sounded so worried over the phone. What's going on?
So, I am in a very big problem that I don't even know how to come out of it.
What is it? Listen, a problem shared is a problem solved. Short.
So, in my company, I work as an accounts officer. One day, the MD called me and they presented a card to me.
Wow.
Yeah, an official car from the company. He said the GM initiated the idea of me having a car, which I really appreciate him for that. You know, after some time, the GM started disturbing me that he wants to get married to me. Everything is just happening so fast. And then today, my MD called me that I should come over at his place. There he told me that. So one day the MD and the GM called me out and they presented a card to me.
Wow.
Yes, an official card. According to the MD, he said that the GM initiated that he brought the idea of me having a car, and which I really appreciate him for that. The MD also said that I should respect the GM, that he is like a son to him, and whatever decision he takes at the office is final, that he has the final say, right? Now, after some time, the GM started disturbing me, saying he wants to marry me. Everything was just happening so fast. Earlier today, the MD called me that I should come to his place. There he told me that I should reconsider the GM, that he would appreciate if I accept his proposal of him being my husband, that he strongly believed that having both of us together in his company would enable his company grow even far better than it is today.
Oh,
I don't get it. I try to make him understand that I have a boyfriend. I am in a relationship, or he feels my boyfriend's presence is inconsequential. It's crazy because I really don't know how to go about this, and it feels like my job is at stake and I don't want to lose my job for whatsoever reason. I am in a very tight corner. I don't know the decision to take. I need you to help me.
Calm down, babes. This is serious. But what's on your mind?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just in between. I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my boyfriend. I don't even know how to break this news down to him. Because he is gonna die. He will die. I don't know how to tell him. But at the same time, I don't want to lose my job.
Okay, I think what we're going to do here is we go home and think about this, alright? I'm sure by tomorrow we have a better answer to all this. We're going to overcome this temptation, trust me. Just calm down.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Just calm down. Stop worrying yourself.
Honestly, I don't want to lose my job. This is a very tight corner. I don't know what to do.
You said you're going to lose your job. You're not.
Samson.
Yes, please.
I'm asking you for the second time. What did you really see in Flora that caught your fancy this much?
Sir, she's very productive and extremely intelligent. I believe that apart from being partners, we can work together to grow the company.
Fine. So what if peradventure these qualities dies down as a course of time? Will you still be there for her?
I will, sir.
Are you aware that it is quite unethical for you to be talking about having something to do with your colleague?
I know that, sir. But my intentions are good. I'm not playing around, sir.
You can go back to your office and make sure you get me that file.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no, no, no. Falling in love with blood. Falling in love with blood.
Also, I slept over it and I won't.
You know what? I've made up my mind because I have also thought about it, and I think I want him. I want him to be my husband to be.
What?
Yeah.
What about Gazi? Are you sure you've thought about this whole thing clearly?
Please don't worry about Gazi. I can handle it.
What are you going to tell him?
I don't know. I'll just look for something and tell him. I just have to tell him something.
You think it's going to be easy?
I know. I know it's not going to be easy. But I'll just tell him something. If he wants to accept, fine. If he doesn't want, that's his business.
Really? Okay, so how are you going to handle it?
I don't know. But just leave it for me.
You just don't know. Anyway, I hope you know what you're doing.
I hope I know what I am doing. He's my boss, for crying out loud. Let's go in.
Oh, this is good news. As it stands now, I think we must plan together. Both of you need to tell us when you fix the date for the introduction properly. Right? Yes. Let's see how that will fly.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Good.
Flora, I have something to ask you.
Okay, Ma. I'm listening.
I want you to check yourself very well. Do you want to marry Samson?
Yes. I do.
What about that man, the guy that I heard both of you are engaged to get married? What will happen to him? What will you tell him?
So,
I think we do not need to go over this again. No need to preempt it. I've talked about this with you sometime. So why bringing it up again? Let it snooze. You must drink something. Rita!
no, sir.
Rita! No, we must clink some bottles. If you must.
Thank you.
Where is Rita?
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind.
Sir, you sent for me.
Yes. Young man, what can I offer you?
Nothing, sir. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rita. I'll call you later.
Okay, sir.
Well, you must be Gozie.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm here because my fiancée Flora told me that you asked to see me.
That's correct. But before we go even deeper, I would like to get familiar with you. This I mean to ask, what do you do for a living?
Oh, sir, I work with the bank as a marketer.
Oh, you're one of these people who goes around the labor market looking for clients?
Exactly, sir.
Well, it's okay. Not too bad. What if I give you an offer? I will give you some money to start up a business, to lively up yourself with something good, and still use my connection in the bank to retain you and promote you to something better than just being an ordinary marketer in the bank. How about that?
Sorry, sir. If I heard you right, you want to give me money to start up my own business?
That's correct.
Sorry, sir. How much are we talking about here?
I'm giving you 20 million.
20 million? 20 million naira?
Or even more.
Sorry. Hi. Are you the one looking for me?
Hi. Yeah. I am. How are you?
I'm good.
Great.
Please, who are you and how may I help you?
How much?
How much?
Yeah.
For what?
How much do you want? Name your price.
I don't understand. Did we do any business that I'm unaware of and you want to pay me?
I mean, we don't have to be business partners. I feel like you need the money. I'm trying to give it to you. So tell me, how much do you want?
I don't understand.
Alright, fine. I'll make you understand. You see, Flora told me you're her boyfriend. And you're the only obstacle I have from getting married to her. So name your price. It's your lucky day.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Totally fine.
You're telling me you drove all the way from wherever you're coming from to come to this place and ask me such useless question?
Oh, it's not a useless question. I just want to know how much you want so I can pay you off.
Sir, don't be offended if I ask you this.
I mean, why are you scared? This is free world. You will ask anything you want to ask.
Sir, I believe this is the first time you are seeing me. And you're offering me 20 million naira. Please, sir, I want to ask, how is the repayment plan like? I mean, how am I going to repay the loan?
Young man, this usury is not for payback. I am not giving you a loan. I'm giving you money to start up something that will be useful to you. And of course, you can only stand the chance of owning the money if you can stand the sacrifice.
A sacrifice? Which is?
Please, just let me explain.
Explain what? What do you want to explain? So Flora, this is who you really are. What have I done? What did I do wrong? So after all these years, After all we've shared together, after all the promises that we are going to get married at the right time, this is how you want to end it. Huh? What is my offense? My only offense is that I don't have money. So you want to dump me for that guy? You want to dump me for that guy, Flora? Just because he has money? Huh? You want to dump me for the guy just because he has money to offer you? No wonder the other day he came here harassing me. I was asking you what is going on between you and him. You just walked out without saying anything. Oh, I'm so disappointed.
Okay, please, baby. Let me just explain how everything happened.
What do you want to say? You don't have anything to say. In fact, you can go with him. He has money, you love him. You can go ahead and marry him. It's okay. Just leave me.
Baby, you know the situation of my family. You know the condition we are. You know how my sick mother is suffering in the village. Samson coming into my life, he would lift the burden off our shoulder. We'll feel relieved. Baby, please. I just need you to understand. You know how I traveled to the UK was with the help of our Igwe, who sponsored my education. Because he was a good friend to my father. You know everything. Baby, please. We need this breath of life. Just for the sake of my mother. Understand me.
So all this story, all this cock and bull story you're telling me is the reason why you want to dump me for that guy. Now let me ask you, is that company the only company in the world where you can get a job? Is that the only company? If a particular company offers you a job with conditions you don't like, you reject it. Besides, you have all the qualifications. And there are jobs everywhere in this country. You can get a job anywhere.
Something coming into my life would be a great relief to my family. And like I told you, the MD called and said he wanted me to be with Samson. Otherwise, my job would be at stake. I don't want to lose my job. Baby, please. I just need you to understand. Please. Baby, you know how hard it is to get a job in this country. It is really hard. You know how I was roaming around for months searching for a job, and then finally God blessed me with this one. And they even gave me an official car. And then you want me to lose this job? No. No. It's not going to be possible, baby. No.
It won't be possible. So what happens to me if you get married to him?
I don't know, but I know you to be a good man. You would find someone better, someone that will love you, even better than I did. You will find someone, but this whole thing, it's really not going to work. I just want you to understand, please. I beg you.
That means you have made up your mind.
I'm sorry.
Just go. Go!
My son, you said your name is Samson and you want to marry our daughter, Flora.
Yes, please.
And if I may ask, what about your father? Because he's supposed to be here with you. And what do you do for a living?
Sir, unfortunately, my father, couldn't come because he's busy. And I had to come myself. I run the company where she works. We actually work together. We've been seeing ourselves for a while. So I, took up the challenge to come and do the needful. That's why I'm here.
Wait. If I can understand you clearly. You said both of you work in the same company?
Oh yes, I run the company where she works.
And now you decided to get married?
Yes, please.
Okay. Flora, you had him. What do you have to say about him?
Uncle, he's actually the one that I want to spend the rest of my life with.
You actually love him. He's the one you want to be with. Let me ask you, what about that young man you brought in here when your father was alive? And you told us that that same young man is the one you want to get married to. What about him?
Uncle, that one did not work out again. No. It didn't work out again. It's a long story. I'll tell you about it later. But for now, I really love Samson.
It didn't work out. You heard Flora. You heard what she said. What do you have to say?
Nani Jose. Since my husband, your brother, died, every decision in this family has been taken by you. And it stands. After all, you are the man in this family and the eldest. So please, do what you want to do.
Young man, sorry I am going too far. Just that I don't like making a mistake to avoid had I know. I will not say anything in this matter until she bring that young man by name Gozie. I want to hear from him before I know what to say.
I don't understand now. What is going on? Uncle, I told you. My relationship with Gozie is not working. It's not working anymore. Yeah, you want to push me to marrying him? Even when I'm not happy? I just said this is the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. What is here that is too hard for you to understand? Take the bride price. If you don't accept the bride price, I will go and live with him. I will live with him as husband and wife. We'll live together. What is it now? Mama, put mouth in this thing. Mama, say something now.
Why are you talking to your uncle and I like that?
I'm sorry if I'm raising
my voice. Are you mad?
Mama, sorry if I'm raising my voice, but you people are really getting me angry. It's as if my happiness doesn't matter to you guys at all.
You are going to live together as husband and wife. Well, my dear. Oh, you said it's the one you want to marry. No problem. But bear it in mind that I am not ready to collect the bride price on your head.
This is not nice. Are you going to stay in that marriage with me? No, you that is forcing me to marry Gozie. Will you both be in that marriage with me? If anything comes out of it, I'm still going to be the one that will carry it. Will you be in that marriage with me?
Laura, shut up. Why are you talking to I and your uncle like that? Is anything wrong with you? Are you mad?
Baby, please, let's leave here. What is it?
Why are you talking to
I just
us
said
like
I like him. I want to marry him. And you people are rejecting it. Why? Why are you rejecting it? Baby, let's go, please. I don't like this at all. What is all this? I just told you I don't want to be with Gozie, and you're telling me to bring in Gozie. What is it? This is the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. What is there that is too hard for you people to take my bride price? You're telling me to bring... Baby, please, let's leave here. Let's leave here. What do you mean what has gotten over me? What do you mean? What is there that is too hard?
Why are you talking
Baby,
to I and your
please,
uncle like
let's
this?
go.
Why?
Young man. Sorry I am sounding this way. Like I said, I like to do things in the right way. I will not do anything or collect bride price on her head without seeing that man Gozie and hear from him. That is final.
I've listened to all your complaints and I can only give you advice that this is what happened in a family where a child was well raised. It's nothing outside what could happen from a well-trained child. Then I ask, are you ready to face any challenge that would come as a result of you being in this marriage? Because it will always come.
I'm sorry, to answer your question, I I think I'm ready to face any challenge that comes, as long as it leads to getting married to Flora.
Flora.
Same with me, sir. I am already facing some challenges now, and I am not ready to give up until Samson and I becomes husband and wife.
I want to give you a little story of what I passed through trying to marry this woman seated here. It is just the same thing that I went through, during my time. In fact, at some point, my in-laws to be were like, is this really a man or something? Because they were frustrated out of my resilience at a point they had to consent. For 3 years, I was on looking for a way just to get my wife's bride price paid. And that is what could happen to anybody. It could be a test to know if you can actually stand any test or any challenge to protect your wife.
And Chief, I understand what you said. But what confuses me is her uncle has refused to accept the bride price.
I've just told you, anything can happen as a process of this. I was in 3 years struggling to get my wife's bride price paid until they discovered that there is nothing they will do or say that will make me back out. When they saw the genuine love, they had no option than to ask me to come pay the bride price. It's a test. It comes in every angles in a marriage. It's a journey that you must learn how to follow.
Are you sure this would work?
Definitely.
I mean, before a woman should have a say in a man's life, the man must have paid her bride price.
I believe it would work. I just need to put more pressure on your uncle and speak to him politely.
How better still, my husband can stay with you.
Oh, she's right. Of course, you're my son. I can stand for you.
Okay.
Not to worry. We'll try our best. Sir, one more thing. I'd like to go to the village, my village actually, to see my parents with Flora. I'd like to introduce her to them. And also spend some time. I'm looking at going towards the weekend. Yeah.
Good idea. Of course, you have to bear the office work in mind. We need to do some cleaning up of backlogs in the office. And of course, you have to fix a management meeting so we can close up that deal. Our prospects are looking for us to make first foot forward, and then we'll close the deal.
Sorry, no problems.
Thank you so much.
All right, aren't you going to serve them something?
It's okay. Rita!
No, that's all right. I think we'll find.
No, you have to.
Rita!
My sweat can never be in vain.
Something bothers me.
What is it?
I have been meaning to ask you this question. And please don't judge me, alright? But my experience at your village was very embarrassing. My question is, your parents, how were they able to sponsor your education abroad if they are that poor? I mean, I was at your village and you literally came from a poor background. Wretched, I mean, I'm sorry to say that, but... So I'm quite inquisitive, like tell me, how were they able to sponsor your education abroad if, because from what I saw, they can't afford to take care of you.
I know, well, they never did.
So who did?
Our king.
Your king?
Yes.
So what's the relationship between your king and your family? Why would he sponsor you abroad?
So the king used to be a good friend to my father when he was alive.
Oh.
Then after the death of my father, he called to ask us how he could be of help to us. So I told him that I would love to travel out to do my master's. And he agreed. And so he sponsored me.
Well, he must be a good man to have done all of that for you.
Indeed he is. He's a good man. He actually sponsored my father's funeral. Paid for everything. Everything.
He did? Wow. I mean, your father was lucky to have a friend like that.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Is he still in touch with your family? I mean, does he help out since the demise of your father?
Yes. Why not? Of course.
Do you think he can be of help to us, you and I mean, your uncle?
No, babe, please. Don't even go there. I don't think he can do anything. Trust me. So he called me some days after I got back to the country. He begged me as a father. He said he would really love to see me marry someone from our community. You know. So yeah, that's it. I feel he would do little or nothing about it.
All right.
Yeah. Just eat, we'll figure it out, okay? Sure will.
Bozia, I am sitting with you in my compound for the second time because I consider you to be a young man with brighter future. Last time I offered you 20 million naira to start up a business of your own to better your life, and you said you want to think about it. I want to know what you arrive at, because as it stands now, there is obvious marriage going on between Flora and Samson.
Sir, to be honest with you, my love for Flora is not for sale. Yes, if she has decided to dump me for the Samson guy, after all these years and what we've shared together, simply because I don't have money, then I will take it as my fate.
You've said it all. You do not have money. Now tell me, without money, how do you cope? How do you intend to, finance your affair with Flora? You are talking about love. Love is a beautiful thing, but love without money is absolutely nonsense. Do you have money to afford the pearl on Flora's neck? Do you even have money to feed 3 square meals? The answer is no. And you understand the background where Flora is coming from. They have nothing way down there. How do you intend to feed yourself and Flora? And then, of course, way down in Flora's compound and her home, way down there. How do you intend to give financial support when they need it?
Sir, all you're saying is the truth. But I'm sorry I can't take the money. Look, sir, I'd rather remain poor than sell my love for Flora.
Young man, will you wake up from this dream of yours and face reality?
Sir, all I'm saying is, I'm not going to remain like this forever. I am a man, I know that things will change. But if Flora wants to leave me for the rich Samson, then I'll just let them be.
I've asked you to come out of your daydream and face reality. Now I am giving you another offer. I want to give you an appointment in my office and then with a huge salary above my staff strength.
Look, sir, I understand everything you're trying to do for me. But I can't work in the same company where my fiancé, who has refused to marry me, is working, and with the same man that she dumped me for. So how do you want me to feel seeing them together? I will die of heart attack.
It's obvious that talking to you is just a waste of time. You can now leave.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't mean to offend you. But it's just that I can't help it. Please. Thank you, sir.
My sweat can never be in vain.
So, Papa, her name is Flora. She's from Amanze community. There's a lot of good things to say about her, but I'll start with saying she works in the same company with me, and we have been very close for a while. So I decided to bring her to, my parents, to introduce her to both of you and tell you that it is time for me to be a man. So this is the woman I want to get married to.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
You are welcome. You have done well.
Thank you, Papa.
What you did is the right thing.
Right.
My daughter, you are welcome to my house.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, eh? You heard what Samson said. I hope you are in agreement with him that both of you are getting married.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is good. Let me ask her, what about your family? Your parents? What are they doing? Can you tell me more about them?
So my dad is late. He was a palm white tapper before he died. And my mom is a businesswoman. She sells fish in the market. We're just a small family trying to cope.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Now that your father is late, I hope you have some uncles around that we can meet when we come for your head.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's good.
Please, I have something to say. Nne, you said your dad is late. Eh? And your mother sells fish in your village market. Ice fish in your village market. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
It's going to be hard though. Very, very hard. It wasn't my dream that my son will get married from a wretched home to a wretched girl like you. It won't work. That is, if he's taking care of me, he will be taking care of your mother too. Do you want to kill him?
Mama.
Please let me finish. Do you want to kill him? I want to know. As he's trying, that is, as he's trying to get married to you, you should count yourself lucky. Worship him. Respect him. Pamper him. When I mean pamper him, you should lick his fingers.
Mama, that's enough.
Asiponame enough. Enough, Guinea. From this wretched girl, you should lick his feet. As those people in the Bible licked the feet of Jesus Christ.
Mama, that's
Please,
enough. That's enough.
Do you hear what I said?
Yes,
Mama.
Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, why are you speaking to her like that? She's not your slave. You don't have any right to speak to her like that. Come on. I'm not Jesus. Don't compare me to Jesus. What do you mean?
March, stop this your madness. Why are you embarrassing this innocent girl? Is it her fault that her family is poor? Are you God? Don't you know that one's destiny can change at any time? Let me ask you. Was your parents rich when they were alive?
I don't just know why you're attacking me. I don't know why you people are attacking me.
Papa.
Is it a crime now for someone to say his or her opinion?
Mama, Mama, enough. Please. That's enough.
Yeah.
Thank you. Samson, it's okay. Uncle, thank you so much. Mama, point of correction. We are not poor. I am not poor. I work for my money and I get paid. The company pays me well and I can comfortably take care of my mom. I am not coming into your family to become a liability. No. No. I work. I can take care of myself. I can foot my bills.
Mama, you heard her, right? She makes her own money. She works in my company. I get paid. She gets paid very well. So she can take care of herself. She's not getting married to me for my money or for what I own. She has her own thing going on for her. So you need to accord her the same respect. Please.
But according to you, you said you're the general manager of that company.
Yes, I am.
Hey, that means you are far richer than her, is it not?
Mama, it doesn't work like that. Okay?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
You heard her say that her company pays her very well and that she can take care of her mother in how she wants it. Why are you bothered? Besides, what is wrong if Samson spends money on his mother-in-law? Is she not the mother of his wife? Eh? What is wrong with you? Please, I don't want to hear a word again from you. Let me talk with my son. In fact, get inside the house. Leave me alone.
I am going inside, no problem. I'm going inside. This is what you brought home. This poor wretched thing. As a wife.
My daughter, don't mind her. Please, don't mind her at all. You know, it's a woman. That's how you people talks. Don't mind her. My son, how are you preparing for the visit to Flora's village? How are we going to do about that? My son.
Yes, Papa.
This man in question, I mean this Flora's uncle, who said he will not collect any bride price from you. What is Flora saying about it? I've never seen a place where a woman will become somebody's wife without her bride price being paid.
Papa, the truth is there's a boy in the picture who's making everything difficult. And that boy is her boyfriend. I met him. I offered him as much as 10 million naira. And he refused to accept the money. He said he must get married to her, that I'm only wasting my time. I don't know what else to do. It's just unfortunate.
To that extent, you offered him 10 million naira. And he said no just because of a woman. That's terrible.
Yes. Flora also spoke to him and told him that he should look for someone else. That she's with me now. And he still refused. I don't know what else to do.
So, Flora also said that to him?
Yes, Flora spoke to him. Papa, that's by the way. I feel like that's totally inconsequential right now. The most important thing is we need to speak to Flora's uncle. I need you to speak to him. Because you're almost of the same age with him. He would definitely listen to you if you do.
What are you saying? I have to do that. If that alone will please you. Right, it's what I'm going to do. There's no problem.
Please, Papa, you need to come to my rescue.
It's all right. It's all right, my son. Don't worry.
Thank you.
It's okay.
My sweat can never be in vain.
Chebokwe, I don't know if your son here told you what I told him the first day he came here asking for my late brother's daughter's hand in marriage.
Yes, my son told me something. That is the reason I came to hear from you directly. To know what he told me, whether it is truth or not.
It's okay. Let me not waste your time. I will go straight to the point. The first day your son came here asking for my late brother's daughter's hand in marriage, I told him that marriage will not work. Because when my late brother was alive, our daughter, Flora, came to this house with one boy like that by name Gozie. Tell you know that Gozie is the one she's going to get married to. The Gozie came with a drink and my brother accepted the drink and promised him that he will marry his daughter. After a few days, my brother died. Only for Flora to come back here with this your son, Samson, telling me that he is the one she wants to marry. See, let me tell you something. I have to be frank with you. I will not collect any bride price from you people until that Gozie comes here and tell me that he is no longer interested in the marriage. I will then know what to do.
I've heard you. But I'm asking why you. I want to ask you something. Now that my son Samson and your late brother's daughter insisted that they are going to marry no matter what happens, what are we going to do?
Please let me just come in here. I greet all of you. I am the CEO of the company where they work. I must tell you sincerely that after my careful observation about these two people, for some time now, I discovered that there is nothing anyone can say or do to separate them. They truly love each other. If you ask me, I will advise that we will let this slide. Let us snooze on this, we are not going to lose nothing.
Chief Patrick. Point of correction. I am not stopping my late brother's daughter to live together with Samson as husband and wife. All I'm saying is that I am not ready to collect any bride price. Can happen in Kega to them, not in Kega Badum. Biko.
Please, is there any other person in this your kindred that we can meet? Maybe help us smoothing this thing so that it will work out.
There are so many of them, but they cannot do anything without me. It is not possible.
Let's re-emphasize on this. Just for clarification, are you saying that they have the passport to become husband and wife, more or less, without being given the opportunity to pay the bride price?
Chief Patrick, I am not ready to collect any bride price from you people. Like I said, they can go and live as husband and wife. But if anything happens tomorrow, nobody should blame me. I know why I'm saying this.
Nai, I don't understand this at all. Why did the uncle refuse to collect the bride price? Why?
I don't know. There is nothing Chief and I did not say for our uncle to collect the bride price. He even said that Samson and Flora can go ahead and live together as husband and wife.
How?
I don't know.
How can the two live together as husband and wife? Why they did not collect her bride price? I've not seen where it's done before. How? No. No. What are you going to do?
I'm not thinking about anything now. I'm not thinking about anything. I think this question should go to Samson and Flora. For now, I'm just watching.
You are just watching, Nai. You have to think of something to say and let's know what to do. Because this is not good at all. It is not good. Nai, I have not seen where it is done. That a woman will go and live with a man that she's not married to. I have not seen it happen before. So you need to know what to do. You need to. Please.
Like I said, I am watching. Maybe it is going to happen for the first time.
I don't accept this one. You are watching. Watching how? We have to do something. Please, we have to do something. Samson is not getting younger.
Chifo tota saihu. Mba anyị sị na Chifo ụbọchị onwe di. Ọbasi leli. Anyị na-ekele gị. Aja ala ọsọ kere. Aja ala ụmụ gị. Anyị na-ekele gị. Ụmụ mpempe dị iche iche. Nwangele ọsọ kere. Ọhịa agwụ ụmụ akpa. Rọtọ na mmiri. Imo mmiri. Ya ṅụọ mmiri. Nwangele. Ọnụ mmanya. Mmanya na-enye unu. Marakwa na anyị kpọchitara nwakatịrị yesterday. Ọ ya amụ nwoke. Ọ ya amụ nwaanyị. Ha je enwe. Nwa nwoke ya awa ọgaranya. Ana m ekele unu. Ama m na unu anụ ihe nne. Ndị nna anyị ṅụrụ na mmanya. Ala ṅụrụ mmanya. Ọbasi lelo anyị ekele ego. Ise.
Hey! Chineke, ele udu nwari heke Samson kpọdala m nga. What kind of a girl is it that Samson brought for me as a wife? Woo! Look at my compound. Very dirty. Eh? Which normal girl will be sleeping by this time of the morning? Woo! No, now, Machi cannot take this. I cannot take this. Flora! Flora, where is this good for nothing girl? Flora! What is good about this your money? Flora, I ask you, what is good about this your money? Take a look at my compound. Take a look at the whole place, how dirty they are. Take a look at it.
Mama, I swept this compound.
Re-sweep it. It is not clean enough. Re-sweep it, Flora. Re-sweep it. Look at you.
Mama, this is something you would have just said calmly.
Will you shut up your mouth there? I am talking and you are talking. It means your mother did not treat you well. Your mother did not raise you well. Your poor mother did not raise you well. I am talking and you are talking. Are you okay?
Mama, please. You can insult me for all I care, but do not bring in my mother into this. You don't need to bring in my mother. You don't always have to remind me that I'm poor.
If I bring your mother, what will you do? If I bring your mother, what will you do? Why didn't she teach you well? You should know by this time you're supposed to be out and be sweeping the compound.
I have swept this compound.
You re-sweep it. It's not clean enough for me. Re-sweep this compound, Flora. And let me remind you, after this, go to the kitchen, prepare breakfast. Afterwards, we are going to the farm. I have a lot of work there at the farm to do.
Machi, what did I hear you say?
That we are going to the farm.
With who?
With Flora.
Hey! This girl that Samson just got married to yesterday. This morning you want to take her to the farm?
Yes.
Have you asked her whether she knows how to farm?
I should ask a poor girl whether she knows how to farm. What does she do in her family? What do they do if not farming? You say I should ask her. Is she not a human being? Are you not a human being? Don't you know how to farm?
I know how to farm. I will go with you. And Papa, please don't worry, okay? I can do all this. This is what I've been doing right from time. Let me get dressed. Sorry.
Come back. Who gave you my wrapper? Who gave you my wrapper to tie?
Your son gave it to me.
My son gave you my wrapper and you collect it and tie. As what? As my daughter or my daughter-in-law? Eh? Give me my wrapper. Give me.
Machi, is she not your daughter-in-law? Eh?
Which daughter-in-law?
Hey! Arueme.
This one, daughter-in-law. Please, Nai, hold yourself, oh. Hold yourself. Whenever I'm talking with this girl, leave me alone, oh. Let me handle this girl. Let me handle her. She should be lucky that my son got married to her. Please, oh. I know I can't kick it.
Umuwanyi, unu nyere anyị. Ihe na-egbu nwoke.
Ụwa bụrụ anyị, manụ goji eji n'ụwa, emesi ọrụ bụrụ anyị chọba ya. Ọkwa ngwara ga-agwa, ọkwa nyọrọ ga-eju. Emesi ọrụ bụrụ anyị chọba ya. Ọkwa ngwara ga-agwa, ọkwa nyọrọ ga-eju. Because you have access to it. Onabadokwa no. Onechidekwa na biri. It can destroy person. It can rule your life. Greediness a joker. Evil mind a joker. Selfishness selfish.
Flora, what do you think you are doing?
Mama,
you are sitting down. You want to rest more. Tell me what you have done that you are resting now. Why are you this lazy, Flora?
I've been rigging and weeding since we got here.
Since we got here? Then where is it? Just here? Please get up and walk. Get up and walk, Flora.
Mama, let me just rest more.
I say get up, let's finish. See, are you seeing that tree? We are going to walk to that tree. You have not even started the arresting already. Eh? Why are you lazy now? Why? Just one thing you did, you want to rest. We will finish this farm. You see this thing you are looking at? We will finish it. To that tree you are seeing there, we will get to that place. Bend down. See, watch me. Give me this thing. Watch me. Let me show you. Flora, are you not a woman? Eh? Are you not a woman? Why are you doing as if you cannot walk? Look at how to walk. Remove all these grasses, Flora. Eh? Look at how to walk. Come and take this food. You must walk. Take. Bend down and walk. Bend down. All you know is how to eat my son's money. Bend down. Bend down your waist. Bend down and walk, Flora. Bend down your waist and walk.
Mama, stop now. Am I not walking?
Walk! If I talk, you answer me. Walk. You will not be lazy in my house.
Mama, I'm trying to understand you. How dare you disrespect me like that? No, tell me, what is the meaning of what you did? Did I get married to her for you to turn her into a farmer?
So you mean I should go to the farm alone while your so-called wife is inside?
Mama, why did you not tell me first?
Tell you.
Are you not supposed to tell me that you want to take her to the farm? And why should you take her to the farm?
I should take permission from you before I go to the farm with my daughter-in-law.
Mama, listen to me. That is very, very unacceptable. I'm not going to take that from you. And henceforth, don't ever try that again. Please.
Samson!
I didn't marry her for you to turn her into a farmer. Papa, you need to address this. You need to address this.
My son, I'm tired of talking to your mother. I've been talking to her all the time. After everything, she does whatever she wants to do. She doesn't listen to me anymore. Everything I told her in the past, she never followed it. Please, I'm very happy now that you are talking to her like a man.
Papa, my wife is lying in there with body pains all over.
I know it.
Because she's a lazy girl. She is a lazy girl. Why would she be lying there because of just how many hours fun? Why? I ask you, is she not from a poor family? Is she not from a poor family? Is that not what they were doing in their home?
Is this what you're saying?
Yes. And I will take her to the farm anytime, any day I want.
Okay, then.
Yes.
I promise you, with everything I believe in, the next time you do that, I'm going to withdraw every privilege you enjoy from me. Demi.
Samson, go ahead and withdraw it. Withdraw it or withdraw it. I don't care. And for you, look at you, call yourself a man, a father-in-law, and you are here, these things are happening. So you are supposed that she go to the farm alone. Why that girl sits in the house? It will never happen. It will never happen. I will not accept it. I will always take her to the farm. I will always take her to the farm. You will see it. You plan, take me, cash for what?
Willingness is dangerous.
The reason I brought both of you here is to let you understand that this is the beginning of another journey in your life. Now that you are together as husband and wife, regardless that Flora's bride price has not been paid, is for you to understand that you must work as a team for the success of the objective of this office. You must teach your wife the secret in this business that she is studying under you. You, Flora, you must pay attention to all his instructions. He is the one who knows how to cross the T's and dot the I's in this office. Promise me that you will teach her all she needs to know about this office.
I promise you, I'll do that, sir. I'll do as you have said.
Good. One more thing. You must be careful, alright? If you snooze, you will lose. And the most people that it will affect are both of you. I have other business elsewhere. You must pay attention to details as he is giving you instruction, okay?
Yes, sir.
That's all for now.
Thank you very much.
So much, sir.
Good.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You just walked out without your wife. I thought this young man understood everything.
It's fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, yo. No. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind.
Hey, honey. You good? Honey. What is it? Huh? You don't look okay. You're worried. What is it?
Of course I'm worried. Did you not hear what the MD said?
I heard. What is it about?
In his words, he said, and I reiterate, he wants us to collectively move the company forward. In other words, sacrifice for the growth of the company. Failure to do so, and the company collapses. He has nothing to lose. Doesn't that sound creepy to you? You see, that's exactly why I didn't want to tell anyone the secret. I have. I feel like he's trying to be smart. One day, he might tell us to leave.
In my opinion, it is for our own benefit. He's a good man, if you ask me.
Really? You think he's a good man? You think you know him better than me? Come on, Flora. You only just started working in that company not too long ago. Or do you think you know him better than I do? No, you don't. I know him better than you do. Or would you say because he bought you a car, or in other words, he gave you an official car, that's why you think he's a good person? I actually made him do that. He said that to your hearing, didn't he?
Yes, he did. So now what do you want us to do? Quit the job?
Flora, this is a good time to strike. This is an opportunity for us to establish ourselves, make it big, become richer. Yeah. Listen, you are the accountant and I'm the general manager. Whatever information we put out, that's final. Let's make some money from this entire situation. Listen, whatever money the company makes, we split into two. We'll put half of the money in the company's account and keep the other half for ourselves. Yeah. Listen, this is our opportunity to establish our own company. Don't you know?
Wow. Just wow. I agree. Honestly, I accept. I actually wanted to bring up this, but I was quite skeptical because I didn't know how you're going to take it. I am game.
You are?
Yes.
I'm glad to hear that.
So, before 2 years, we should be able to save up enough money to open up our own company.
Wow, 2 years is a long time. 6 months is fine.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh God. I am game, babe.
Yeah.
I am. Let's do it.
You're smart.
You're smarter.
Thank you.
Listen, Flora. I have something to tell you and I want you to pay attention. You know, you're just like a daughter to me. That is why I want to give you this advice. My husband told me everything that happened in your village when Samson came to pay your bride price. Now, listen very well. For your uncle to refuse to take your bride price means that there is something fishy somewhere. Yes, that is what it meant. Because of that, I would not want you to sleep with Samson to avoid unwanted pregnancy. You know, you are not even supposed to stay with him in the same house. You know I'm against all this. I'm not in support of this from the onset. But since you accepted, I have no other option. But my advice is this. Please, my daughter, do not allow him to touch you. Biko. In that aspect, I suggest you go and meet your uncle. Ask him why he insisted on what your late father said. You need to find out about it. Let him tell you everything about it. Why he insisted on not taking the money. Or better still, you can go and meet Gozie. Beg Gozie to allow you marry the man of your choice. If he agrees, then both of you can go and see your uncle. Then Gozie will tell your uncle that it's his decision your uncle will then go ahead to avoid had I known. Because I don't want any problem to come to you. Remember what I told you before. That you are just like a daughter to me. Please. It's okay. Take care of yourself.
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Oh, stop. What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Aren't you my wife? Can't I touch my wife?
I'm not disputing that, but Samson, we need to do the right thing.
And what is the right thing?
Hey, my bride price.
But I've done everything humanly possible to do that. Your uncle wouldn't let me.
I know, but you have to push further. Push more. Try harder.
Really?
Just do the right thing. If you're expecting me to open up for you, no. It's not going to happen. Pay my bride price. And then you have me.
My sweat can never be in vain.
Babe, since you've decided to marry him, I suggest you just move on and focus on your family. Whenever your people are ready to accept the bride price, they will call your husband. And I'm sure by then you must have gotten up to 2 or 3 kids. Yeah, my humble suggestion.
2 or 3 kids. Are you serious? I mean, why should I do a thing like that? If there is no bride price, there is no family. Certainly no kids. Yes. How many times will I tell you that we forbid that? Having kids outside wedlock is an abomination.
You're confusing me here. What if you get pregnant? He's your husband. You two are going to live together in the same house. Obviously, get intimate.
We don't get intimate. Yeah, we don't have sex. So there is no way kids will come. Yeah. And if at all, I'm not even planning to abort. I don't see myself aborting a child. God forbid. I can't even think of a thing like that. It is not in my nature. But don't worry. I have everything sorted out. I can handle myself.
You're not serious? Are you?
Of course I am. Were you thinking we've been going at it every day? Oh, come on, please. Drink up. I need to head back to the office. I have a whole lot on my desk. Hey, honey. I am done with the account. Okay. Here we go. You don't look bright. What is it? What is the problem?
Maybe you're the problem. Yeah. Just maybe. You're my problem.
Me? don't understand. How? What did I do? Okay. I get it. Because I didn't allow you to touch me. Could that be why you're angry?
Flora, give me a break. Come on. I am not a happy man. We've been married for months. But I'm not happy. Shouldn't that bother you? We have been married for months. I can't even touch my wife. I can't even have a taste of my wife. Do you expect me to be happy?
You know what? We're going to talk about this when we get home. This is a working environment. We should stay focused. Like I said, I am done with the accounts. Look at it. So, what next?
Listen, print these. Print these documents and give it to the MD. And the money should go to my account. Our account. And most importantly, I'm not a happy man. You have to make me happy. Promise me you're going to make me happy.
Like I said, we're going to have a long conversation when we get home. Okay? I want you to be happy. Hi!
How are you?
Good to see you.
Wow.
Alright.
Wow.
Guy. Let me sit down first. Wait, Samson. You were telling me something on the phone. I didn't get it. Let me understand. Are you trying to tell me that since you got married to your wife, till now, you've not touched her?
I can't lie to you, bro. That's a very sensitive issue to lie about.
What happened?
I've been married, but I'm single. It's quite unfortunate. She wouldn't let me touch her.
What is the cause?
Her uncle is one of the problems.
How?
He refused to take her bride price. He refused to accept it. And my wife said if her bride price is not paid, that I can't come close to her sexually. So it's quite unfortunate.
Samson, if you ask me, I will advise you to take it by force. Even the Bible says the violence, take it by force. Take it by force!
I can't do that, I'm sorry. That's rape. And I do not want to be called a rapist. I'm sorry. I have to do things the right way.
So, how do you intend to do it?
So I want to go to her village to see her people. I don't mind spending all the money I have. I want to give them money so that they can solve this entire situation. I can't lose her. But the most important part of this is I want you to come with me. I want you to go to their village with me.
Well, it's okay. I think you have a point there.
I have a point because I don't want to lose her. I have to see her people. They have to talk to her. They have to talk to her uncle. Let's find a solution.
It's okay.
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never.
Nai, please. Have pity on my friend and collect this bride price, uncle. Uncle, see, since they got married, Flora
has never even allowed him to have access, uncle, to her body. If she continues like this, uncle, how can they have children? Uncle, see, the whole thing is in your hand. Please.
See, Flora knows what she's doing because of the implications. Yeah, because of the implications. She knows what she's doing.
What are you saying? What kind of implication is that?
See, let me tell you something. No matter how many children Flora will give to Samson, without her bride price being paid, all of them will die.
but uncle, even at that, you can still help us. At least by taking this bride price now, uncle. Please.
There's nothing I can do. Now listen to me. Flora knows everything. That is why she doesn't want to take the risk. Yeah, she knows everything.
Sir.
What is this?
That's some money.
It's money, uncle.
Some money?
Yes, sir.
That's 2 million.
Uncle, 2 million. 2.
And who owes the money?
For you.
Uncle,
For me?
Yes, sir.
Wait, let me ask you. This 2 million naira you are giving me now, is it for Flora's bride price or you just want to dash me money?
It's a gift from me to you. Just keep it.
Just
yes.
Just for cola and just for you to be happy.
For cola? It's not Flora's bride price. Are you sure?
Oh, just for cola. No, uncle, it's for cola now. Just to.
Okay. Okay, since you say so, thank you very much. Let me say, in fact, you people have to give me like 2 weeks.
Okay.
To think about it.
Okay.
Then I'll get back to you. Don't worry, I'll do something.
2 weeks.
At least with this money, your problem will be solved one way or the other.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle. Uncle,
okay.
Thank you so much. I know you can do something, sir. Thank you so much, Uncle.
Don't worry, with this money, something must be done.
No.
I'm sure Flora is fine.
Yes, she's fine.
Yes. See, Samson, I want you to listen to me. I want you to forget everything about bride price and concentrate on your marriage. Yet, Flora's uncle did not accept the bride price. He knows the reason. So, he did that because you young boys of these days are terrible. Now tell me, what if you got her pregnant and dumped her? How do you then want me to believe you? That is why you have a lot of job to do. Yet, make sure that Flora loves you, trusts you, and believes in you. Then every other thing will normalize. Just listen to me and do what I ask you to do. Everything will be fine. It's okay. No problem. Take care.
Have you seen what I have been telling you? Because I remember that before now I have been warning you about this girl Flora. But you will not listen. I told you that she's going to use you and dump you. Now see your life. Look at your life.
Frank, you're supposed to be my friend. Why are you making matters worse? Huh? You know I can't help it. I love Flora with everything in me. Frank, I love that girl so much. Yeah, I'm helpless. I don't even know what to do. As I'm talking with you now, I still love her. Tomorrow, I still love her. If she comes back now, I have open hands to accept her back.
Do you know that you are not feeling fine? No, I think something is wrong with you. See, if this thing that you people are doing is called love, see, me and love, if I'm going like this, then I see love coming like this, I will just turn. Because me, I know the craze like you. At all, I know the craze like you. Me, I get sense. I know the craze.
Okay, it's okay. You can call it craze or whatever it is. I know you don't understand that someone is in love here. Your friend for that matter. But you can call it anything. You can even say I'm mad. It's okay. But please, I want to beg you. Eh? If you don't help this your friend here, I go finally call the waka for road. I want to beg you. I want to plead with you. Please escort me to Flora's village. I want to go and see her people.
I no get chance. I no get chance. I no have chance. Right? No get chance. When?
You just said you don't have chance. It's tomorrow.
Hi. For tell me earlier now. I no get chance. I tell you, I no tell you I won't go see my uncle. You go fit shift and go like next week. I go fit.
You don't understand the urgency of this matter. It's a matter of the heart. I'm telling you that I'm going about there.
It pain me. No, I for like come. A chance no day. I no get chance. I feel for you. How you go do it now?
GODSON, my son, you're welcome once again. If I tell you I did not hear everything you said here, that means I am lying. Not only that I am lying, but I am deceiving myself. Because when this issue of Flora getting married to that young man, in the first place, I kicked against it. Because I remembered when my late brother was alive, you came to this house with a bottle of drink to make your intention known. My brother accepted you and promised you that you would be Flora's husband. Not quite long, my brother died. The next thing Flora did was to bring that young man, telling us that he is the one she wants to get married to. And I reminded her about you. She said she's done with you. I said, what? She said, uncle, she is done with you. So I looked at it. I said, okay, there's nothing I can do. Even as I speak to you now, I have not collected bride price. Because I said I will never do that. I will not collect bride price from that man. Because I am following my brother's footsteps. So, my dear, like I said, I don't know what else to do. But I advise you to relax your mind. By the grace of God, something better might happen tomorrow.
No. You mean you told Flora all these things and she still went ahead to marry that man?
Let God bear me witness. I told her everything. But she insisted that she must marry the young man. Because maybe the young man is fair, combining his hair, this and that. In fact, he's not even more handsome than you. I don't know what Flora sees in that young man. Eh? Is it because the young man has money? I don't understand.
No. Are you suggesting I just keep quiet and let everything slide?
GODSON, you have to move on with your life. Move on with your life. What I know is that what will be, will be. I am watching. I am watching. What will be, will be. That's your mind.
Wait. So now tell me. Oh, this thing where you talk now, if nobody say you be my guy, I for don't punch you. What did you gain in going to that village? If not hearing how Flora got married to her husband and how her uncle tried to stop her, but she refused. See, This thing, I will tell you, it's nothing but heartbreak that you went there to get receive. Chaka, heartbreak.
Frank, my problem with you is you're hot-tempered. And you're not even short. Eh? You're not listening to what I just told you. It's very simple. See, my going to that village is no waste. As a matter of fact, I'm happy I went to their village. Because the uncle told me that there can still be... something can still happen tomorrow. Yes. As a matter of fact, he didn't accept anything from them traditionally. That means the marriage officially didn't happen. Yes, because for marriage to happen, they will accept something traditionally now. So what it means is that my Flora can still come back to me. It's a win-win. As I was coming back, I was raising my hand. I was thanking God. Yes, it's a win-win for me. My Flora can still come back. No wine on her head. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Wait. Are you listening to yourself? Wait, this thing that you're talking now, is it the entire year? They come off your mouth the entire year. So are you telling me that if eventually this marriage crash, say Flora will still come back to you, and you will still accept her back, even after this man might have spoiled her, give her the good life, show her lifestyle, you will still, she will still come and stay with you and suffer with you afresh. Hey. See. This thing you are doing is, you are dreaming.
Frank.
I'm telling you, you are dreaming.
Let me tell you, I don't expect you to understand. This is love matter. You don't understand love. Flora that loves me, she doesn't joke with me. It's just because this boy just came and started throwing small money around. I have the girl's heart. And from what the uncle just did, God is just there with me. So my baby will come back to me. You will be there. So let me tell you, the only spoiling is love. And me, I'm a lover boy. You don't know anything.
Wait, you have the key?
I have the key to Flola's heart.
Wait, calm down now. Your pressure is too high. Wait. Hey. When we leave you now, go to that chemist. Collect malaria tablets. Full one. And some typhoid medicine. And be taking it. Because this thing is malaria. This thing you are calling love is malaria.
Call it whatever you...
It's malaria. I know this thing.
Congratulations.
For what? For this thing that you are doing? Hey.
For going, seeing, and conquering. Not easy.
Samson, how are you? So how is Flora? No, her mother is okay. You want to come? No, I won't be around. I will be traveling. But if you want to come on your own, you are free to do so. I will be traveling to the city to see my son. Yeah, because it's been long I saw my son last. So I want to travel to the city to see him because we have a very important things to discuss. No problem. Like I said, if you want to come on your own, you are free to do so. I am telling you this so that you don't feel bad if you come and you did not see me. Yeah. 2 months or 3 months. It's okay. I'm going to bye-bye. Greet Flora for me. It's okay. Bye-bye.
Nine, you are still here. I thought you said you are going out. Huh?
Abigail, if that fool comes back here looking for me, I mean Samson, tell him that I traveled to the city to see my son.
What if he asks me when you will be coming back? What will I tell him?
Tell him you don't know. That I will say like 2 or 3 months.
You shouldn't have collected the money he gave to you. Since you know you are not going to do the job, it will look as if you duped him.
Abigail, on whose side are you? On whose side are you? Did I ask him to give me money? He gave me the money out of his own free will. What is my business there? By the way, is it because of 2 million naira that we will risk the life of our daughter Flora? It is not possible. I cannot do that. What is 2 million naira?
You have to tell your daughter Amarachi Because if he comes and I'm not there, so that Amara can give him your message.
Pass the information to Amara. It's the same thing. Pass the information to Amara. It's the same thing. Please. I'm going out. I want to go and see Chechi Nwuba. We have somewhere to go. Very important. Pass the information to Amara. If that idiot comes back here, let she tell the idiot that I traveled to the city to see my son. Simple. No man, what would you know? Where you know here?
Oh,
I am going out.
Bye.
Take care of the house. By the way, where is Amara?
I don't know.
Emma.
I've not seen her for like
pass
30 minutes.
Pass the information to her. Simple.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Is your father home?
He's not around. He traveled.
He traveled?
Yes.
But he's aware I'm supposed to come today. He didn't tell me he was traveling.
Oh. He had an emergency. My brother told him to come to the city.
Oh, shit. When is he coming back?
I don't know. Let me call my mother. Mama! Mama! Mama!
Amara.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nna, you are here?
Yes, I am. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I hope no problem, this one that you're here.
Not at all. I'm here to see your husband and I've been told that he traveled. But he didn't tell me he was traveling.
Amarachi, didn't you tell him that your daddy
She did.
went to the city?
She did. And I'm not sure. Did he tell you when he's coming back?
He said he's going to stay long, like 2 months or 3.
Oh. 3 months? That's such a long time.
Yes.
What do I do now? Sorry, ma. Do you have any idea if he's willing to accept the bride price? Because I need to, I need to do things fast.
My son, I don't know. You know I'm only a woman. I don't know anything about giving a woman's hand in marriage. If you notice, since you people have been talking about this marriage, I've never put my mouth into it. Because I don't know.
In that case, I'll come back when he returns.
That would be good. Or better you call him to know when
No problem.
he'll be coming back.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome there.
What you and my father did is wrong. You are teaching me how to lie. I don't like it.
Shut up your mouth. Who is lying?
My father is inside. You said that he traveled. He will be staying 2 to 3 months.
Nonsense.
That one is nonsense. I will tell him myself. I wish I have phone now. I'll call him and lie to him. Where is the guy?
Man, for how long will you continue hiding? For how long will you continue running for this boy, Samson? Eh? Here.
As long as that fool stop coming to this house, because I am not ready to collect that bride price. Get that into your head. I am not ready.
Personally, I'm getting tired of the whole thing. You should just get it right. Personally, I'm getting tired of the whole thing. I'm just tired.
Bianwan, get inside. Stop disturbing me. You are shouting at me.
Anugum. Ano meba boy akpo.
Hey, wait. You know there is money now. Listen to me, hey. Abigail, listen. You know there is money now. Make the list of things you want to buy. Rice, Momo, my talking my hand also. Because I can dodge this time around. There is more than 2 million naira or whatever. It's only you have with Bramus. Go, beg.
$2 million what? You mean you bribed my uncle with 2 million naira? For what? No, I don't understand. Make it clear to me. For what? Why? Why would you do such a thing?
Babe, you need to calm down.
No, it's too much. Why would you give him 2 million naira? How much is even my bride price that we're talking about? How much is the bride price?
Babe, listen to me. Even if I was asked to pay 1,000 as bride price, tradition is worth more. Tradition is actually worth more than 10 million. Because tradition is tradition.
Stop telling me this. Is that why you have to bribe my uncle with 2 million naira?
That's it. That's some. I just.
No. Because we have a wedding to plan. With this 2 million naira, it will surely go a long way in our wedding preparation.
Come on now.
No, but that is it.
But
Let's call it a spade. No, even at that, you shouldn't have given him 2 million. 2 million naira is too big. It is too much.
Okay, I apologize.
For a bribe, it is too much. And now, where is he? Where is he? You said he left for the city and he will be there for 3 months. Really?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you or get you upset. Okay, but like I said, 2 million is that's your uncle. I mean, we didn't lose the money. He's your uncle, right?
I see what he's trying to do here. I see the game he's trying to play here. This time, I am going to disobey him. And I will be so unapologetic about it.
Disobey him? What do you mean? Does it mean you're going to let me...
Just...
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Worry first, it's imaginary
honey, how is Flora coping with the company?
Well, Flora is doing exceedingly well. You know, she is very intelligent. Of course, you know, she's a fast learner. You can imagine I gave her an contract to execute, and to my surprise, she did it perfectly well.
Oh, wow. That's good to know. I noticed that in her, that she's a very smart girl. And I know that her contribution will help the company to progress in a big way.
I hope so.
What you give me?
But sick. You can never change.
I Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no, no, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind.
Hey, babe.
Are you busy?
Yeah. Typing the report from Jonas Incorporation. I need to submit it to the MD before 1 o'clock. I don't even have time.
Alright, that's impressive. But don't forget Nico's Enterprise. You're supposed to give them a report. So someone will be coming tomorrow to pick it up. Don't forget.
Yep. I haven't forgotten, but I really need to get done with this first. Okay.
Right. So, how about the transfer I asked you to make? I haven't gotten a confirmation yet.
Oh yeah, I've done it. It's probably network, but I've done it. You're sure gonna see it?
Okay, so I'll be going out shortly, and make sure you go out and have some lunch, okay?
Sure. And how long will you be gone?
I'll be back before 4 p.m.
Okay, great.
See you later.
See you.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no, no, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. This blind.
So babe, I wanted to tell you something important.
Okay, what is it?
I think we need to upgrade our cars. Yeah, I mean, I'm the general manager and you are the accountant. I feel like it is time for us to have or own better cars. What do you think? I'm not saying that the ones we have presently is bad, but I feel like we deserve better.
So what kind of car are you looking at?
I mean, anything more expensive, really, really expensive. We deserve it. What?
So your idea is cool, but if you ask me, I would say we should wait. I mean, babe, we have plans ahead of us. We want to establish our own company and we need so much money for that. Getting expensive cars now would be suspicious, and you don't want the MD suspecting us. Probably gonna start thinking that we embezzled the company funds.
But you're not going to tell him, are you?
Of course I wouldn't. Why should I? I am just saying that we have a plan. We have a bigger plan. We should look into that. Get our own company, and then we can buy any car we want. There are steps to this.
Okay, that's fine. That's alright. You're my wife, I should listen to you, so yeah.
But do you see reasons?
Yeah, I totally understand. Because everyone will go thinking we stole from the company, so I get it. Exactly. End of story. So can we do it now?
Do what?
Just a little now. Let me just...
Don't even start. What do you mean?
Just a little now. Just... Come on now.
Is there anything like little sex? Good night. And I love you.
Samson. Yes, it's me. How are you doing? Okay, you are fine. I've been waiting to hear the good news from you. It's over 6 months you got married to that girl. What is happening? You don't understand what I mean by what is happening. Are you telling me you are not a man, or that your wife is having a problem? If she's having a problem, or you are not a man, tell me. You can talk to me. I am your mother. Yes, talk to me. At least I should be hearing the good news that she's pregnant. What is holding you people? Really? You don't know? I should ask your wife. Okay, there's no problem. What I will do is to come to that city and meet the two of you and see her one-on-one. What is all this? Oh, you are cutting the call. It's fine. Over 6 months now. No good news, no nothing. And you say I should keep quiet. No, I will go to the city and see things for myself. No, I will go to the city. Yes.
Choice words can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo. My sweats can never be in vain.
Welcome, sir.
My wife back?
No, she's not yet back.
She's not back yet?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, bro? So guess what? I saw my wife with her ex. I was just driving home when I saw them together. I think she was dropping him off or something. Yeah. I believe they're still seeing each other. Alright, cool. I'll just wait for her to get back.
Choice words can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
You're home.
Hey, stop right there. Where the hell are you coming from? And where did you go with that boy? You have suddenly turned dumb, right? You can no longer speak.
Okay.
You went to have sex with him, right?
Come on, babe.
Yes.
No!
You have totally forgotten that you're married. You're giving him what belongs to me.
No! Stop! Why should I do a thing like that? So, I saw him on my way back from work. He was standing at the bus station. And then I decided to give him a lift as an old friend. Nothing more. We didn't go anywhere. Baby, come on. How would you even think I could do a thing like that? I'm a married woman. It is not vicious. Please. Come off it. Okay? Nothing like that happened.
Are you sure?
I am sure. Take my word for it.
I don't want that to happen again. I mean, you're married, for crying out loud. No?
I know. It's never gonna happen again. I promise.
I forgive you.
I know. Thank you. Okay. I need to go freshen up and come down and we have dinner. Alright, see you.
sweat can never be in vain. Chupapapana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Nama. My sweat can never be in vain. Chupapapana, Ineyogi, Inachumo, Nama. My sweat can never be in vain. Sweat can never be in vain.
Flora.
Yes, babe.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
How long are you going to keep doing this to me? How long would you keep starving me of sex?
Come on, baby. Are we still talking about this? I mean, I thought we'd been through this time with our number. And I keep telling you the same thing. We can't do this.
Why?
Because you need to do the right thing.
And what is the right thing?
You need to pay for my...
But I've tried! I keep trying. I've tried and I can't try anymore.
You have to try harder. Talk to my uncle, meet him, try to convince him. He's a man like you. Tell him that you really need to wife me and he should accept my bride price. Keep talking to him. Do something. I
am tired. I can't keep doing that. Okay? I can't keep wasting my money, my time, my energy on your uncle. And he's just deliberately pushing me away.
Then continue. Keep persuading him. Persuade him. He knows what it means to be with a woman in the house without sex. He knows what it means. Persuade him. Talk to him, baby. Listen. I really want to have sex with you.
Then let's have sex now.
No. You have to do the right thing. The right thing should be done.
So...
It is an abomination to have sex.
Okay, what do you want me to do now?
Talk to my uncle.
But I've tried. He wouldn't let me.
I can't do this. The best thing for you to do now is to go to the restroom and, check off.
Really? Yes. Listen, I don't have time for that. I don't have the energy to keep begging you or your uncle. Do you understand me? I want to have sex right now.
Bathroom and Jake off. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Listen,
don't approach
no.
me. You
I have to have sex.
No, you can't. No.
What? Eh? Wait. Samson, what kind of rubbish is this? See, enough is enough. Enough is enough. You have to do something that will pain her. Let her feel the same thing you are feeling. You are a human being. You're asking me, what can you do? What kind of question is that, Samson? Are you not a man? Huh? You see, it's like you don't want to listen to me. Wait, I'll call you back. I'll call you back, please. I'll call you back. Huh? You're asking me what to do. A woman, you just got married. She cannot allow you to touch her. What kind of life? What kind of... Me? If it is me now, nobody can try it. I will take it by force. Even the Bible says that the violence must take it. I will take it by force. Now, because like a naked girl now.
Sweat can never be in vain. Chupapapana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Nama. My sweat can never be in vain. Chupapapana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Nama. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. Ineyomo.
Why is my husband not back yet? And he left the office before me. You should have gotten home by now. Before now. What is going on? Where could he have gone to? And he's not taking my calls. What is going on? I hope he's safe.
Sweats can never be in vain. My 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 sweats can never be in vain. Nothing is.
Babe, are you just coming back home by this time? My goodness, you're drunk again. What is going on? Why are you doing this?
Why are you doing this to us? When did we get to this point? What is going on? You're drunk.
Come on, you can't keep doing this to yourself. You're hurting yourself. Why?
Do you want to make me a widow? Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this to me?
Please, you need to freshen up and eat, okay? You must be tired.
Get off me.
Baby, you smell of alcohol.
I need to freshen up and eat. Eat what? Eat you? I'm not hungry. Get out.
Baby. When did we get to this? You don't want to eat my food. When did we get to this? You know what? Just relax, okay? I need to take you upstairs and help.
Get off me! Who the hell do you think you're deceiving? Me? You can't deceive me. You're hurting me and you're playing the victim. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? I don't want to eat your food, your stupid food.
Can I at least take you upstairs?
Fuck you.
You might sleep. Let me just help you. You might hurt yourself.
My sweats can never be in vain. 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 Nothing is hidden.
Listen, Flora. Have you not punished this guy enough? For crying out loud, he's your husband. And you are his wife. So I don't know what is preventing you from giving him whatever he's asking for. Let me even ask you, is it a crime?
If it is a crime, yes, it is. Of course it is. That I should give him what he's asking for. And by that you mean I should what? Sleep with him? Really? Me? No, come on. I won't do that. It is forbidden. I can't do that.
So since you're not ready to do all of this, why don't you just step out so that whoever that is ready can come in and get married to this guy? Hey, he's not getting younger anymore.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious because you don't have to be selfish.
Toshi, are you being serious right now?
I am being serious.
That I should leave my marriage and let another woman come in. Are you okay? Can you hear yourself? Are you sensible at all? What kind of advice is that? Eh? That I should come out and let another woman come in and reap where she didn't sow? Seriously? I thought you had something better to say. Obviously you don't.
Really? So this is all you have to say? I thought you had something better to say. Listen, you have to take my advice. Stop hurting that young man.
Keep your advice to yourself till you find yourself a husband.
Alright, see you. Okay, see you.
Choice rates can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain.
Hi, I'm good. How are you? I've accepted. Meet me at the usual spot, same time.
Choice rates can never be in vain. My sweats 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 can never be in vain.
Yeah, come in.
Tochi, what are you doing in my house? I mean, you didn't even call me that you were coming. What is going on? Babe, what is my friend doing in my house? You brought her to my house without my consent? Tochi.
Listen, this is my house.
Oh.
And because it's my house, it now belongs to you. Yes, every part of it.
Thank you. I like it.
Okay. So please, at this point, I really need some clarity. What is going on? Make it clear to me.
I need to understand. First, you brought my friend to my house, and yet you couldn't even say hello to me. What is going on? And you're here hugging my husband. What is going on? Please, make it clear to me. Say it. What is happening?
Flora, can't you see the handwriting written on the wall?
Obviously, I can't see anything.
Okay, then I'll explain to you. So this is Tochi. Come here. Tochi is my wife. My new wife, actually. She has come to replace you. She has come to perform her wifely duties. Those duties that you refuse to do. Have I made myself clear?
I see. Yeah, why not? Was that too hard to say? I mean, you are welcome. Indeed. You're welcome. I mean, you should have said that a long time ago and save us the stress of, beating round the bush.
Don't touch me again.
Of course not.
Babe, can I take you upstairs, please?
Yeah.
Alright, get your bag.
Hold on. You listen to me. For the while you're here, you need to comport yourself and know your damn place in this house. Am I clear? Know your place in this house.
Flora, are you jealous?
Why should I be?
Alright, stay away, because she's here to take your place. She has come to replace you.
Sweats can never be in vain. My 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 sweats can never be in vain. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Don't worry, face it.
Hi.
Okay, food is served. Come on, sit. Let's dine. Yeah, food is served. Okay, shall we eat as one family?
Sorry, can you taste the food?
Yeah, let's do.
It's okay.
Yeah, I don't trust you. Taste it.
You want me to taste
I
it?
don't trust you, I just said that. So taste the food.
Okay, I will. I will take a little portion from each plate. Starting from you, my most trusted best friend. Tastes good. Here we go, my lovely husband. Sumptuous. Shall we? Come on, eat up.
Hey, I need some privacy.
So you want me to leave?
Yes, you need to leave. Go with your food.
Okay, sure. Then I will leave. Bon appetit.
Hey, take your food.
Nah, I'll come back for that later.
Sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy, I know you can do this for me. It's nothing compared to what you do to others. Daddy, please listen. I don't want to lose him. I love this guy so much. He completes me. He's part of my life. If I lose him, everything is gone. I am literally going to kill myself. And I'm sure you will not want to lose your precious daughter. Dad? Ah! Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much. I love you. Okay. Oh, I'm sure. I know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye, Daddy. Oh, thank God.
What did he say?
My father said that he is not coming. But he has given us his consent. He directed me to meet one of the Umana. Yeah, the leader of the Umana to go ahead with the bride price. He said he's going to instruct him on what to do, but he will be available for my trad and my white wedding.
That means he has accepted my son to marry you.
Of course, I'm my father's apple of eyes. So he won't do that to me.
Your father is nice, huh?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Happy.
You know, my father is a very kind billionaire. Yes, you know, over there in America, it's nothing. Do you understand?
So that means your wedding will be
top notch.
Hey, my son.
Talk of the town.
Finally, my son is getting married to a rich daughter. Hey.
Of course, you can say that again.
I'm happy. Tochi, my daughter.
Yes.
Now that I'm going back to the village, please, I want you to be very careful. Take care of yourself and my unborn child. I don't want anything to happen to this pregnancy. Please, avoid this witch called Flora avoid her very well. You know how evil she can be. She might try to harm you nor the baby. Please avoid her. Okay,
Mama, I've heard you. I will try to stay out of her way and avoid her troubles. But please, tell her to stay off my path. I won't tolerate that.
I will. In case she looks for your trouble, report her to your husband. Don't fight back, please. She can be dangerous and deadly. Biko, achokwam ka ihe me nwa anyị bu n'afọ. Okwu ya ka ma ozigbo mkpa. Biko. And ọzọ dị ka ibe abụrụ. As I'm getting home now, I will talk to my husband. You know our plans now to go see your people. We will not take time in doing that. But please be careful and take care of yourself.
Okay.
Alright. I'll be on my way now.
My regards to Papa. Tell him I'll see him someday.
I will. If my son gets back, tell him I left.
It's okay, Mama. Let me walk here.
You don't need to. Just give me a hug. You know you are my favorite now. Don't worry. Sit down. Just sit down, please.
Okay.
My sweat can never be in vain. 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 My sweat can never be in vain.
Some people are jealous of me because I am pregnant. Like I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
Are you referring to me? Huh? Were you referring to me? You see, Tochi, ordinarily I would have given you a beating of your life, but because you were pregnant, I would just let it slide. If you are looking for someone to kill you, you go out there are thousands of things that could crush you into dust, but certainly not me. Keep your insult to yourself.
Ayebo. Some people can get pregnant. Listen, you can't do nothing. Yeah, you heard me. I am not scared of you, but I promise you one thing. The moment you dare touch me, my rich parent will crush your entire life and your next generation to come. That is, if you have one. Try me.
You know you are worthless. You are desperate, a desperate little brat. That's who you are.
I know.
Tochi, you were my friend. I mean, I called you a friend. I tell you literally everything about myself and my marriage. What did you do? You stabbed me. But it's fine. Because I promise you that soon you will meet your Waterloo, and let's see who ends up in prison and who goes scot-free.
Oh, perfect. Because I don't pay attention to an empty threat, right?
I see. Yes. You call that a threat? Okay.
Ayebo. Oh, Tochi of the line. Find a way to get pregnant. Advise you.
Iche Bukwa. No, na bem dia. Imorije. Ongwa gari mokadi. Na ka kemel. On clip.
Thank you for
Where I can live for. Go be maka.
It's all right.
You are welcome to our house.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's all right. It's okay.
Eju echikota if you gwa mo. Anu go me if you go. Mu na nwanne nwoke aya anu ifu nuku. Aya bono nyu nuji maka we bia no kun maka kwa if you ka dem.
That is tradition.
Maka mada ha bowacha ilaka gol.
Oh man, I love
it.
What did he say?
He's accepting what we're saying, but he wants to invite
okay, he wants to invite. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, Chokolo. Oh, Hanibo.
Oh, no, better. Oh, no, no, cha, guy, so.
I am a boom bed of yola. If I make it, I have one anyone come up or often.
Oh, Mela.
Touch you. No, because I know when I want to.
Beautiful. You are lucky to have my.
Tu? Kenan dia biar baik. Ya bro, cium buka. Kamu yang waktu. Aku unfriend. Tu? Dia nong masih apa lagi ke? Napa gak lagi lagi napa? Kagi nonyen kau bukan nyenka, kagi nonyen ka. Biru kadi nangunya. Udah nih.
Yes, uncle.
Kadi bayar apa?
Yes, go ahead.
Nah, ayo walk wa. Udah ada gadi walk. Ayo gadi walk. Dan jalan dam.
My mo. We're going to go. So we can go ahead and
can go ahead. Malifun juga ya. Masih siap.
What did he say?
They have accepted our offer.
They've accepted us?
Yes.
Okay.
They just want us to do whatever.
Do what we have to do. Yes. Like the traditional rites.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh, honey, bochacha.
Once again, on a new betting, Kena, so when done out. So I don't know. Which means, we are prepared. So we can go ahead and pay the bride price.
Makanam Coblun Meso. Odo nun makwana mwatakiria. Mwatakiria kita. Abukwa muya direct. Unwe call. When you call
being the uncle, we know that the
okay.
father is America.
Okay.
Una gas before ever. Una gas.
Yeah, she told us her parents live abroad.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So we are here to meet with you
as
so
the uncle.
You can represent her parents.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
No,
it's all right.
No,
it's okay.
So do you understand me? I said we know that you're trying to, stand in for her parents.
Na papa na abroad. Na papa
okay.
Yes.
So about Hulu, like I said before, ask him now he bube mba. Ido bi ola. So that neku. I have given you. Imagine for only kwado. Go come.
Okay, we put this na efere na. Ka I meze here dey na.
Izi ngida je wote fela kita o ya boku. Mana.
But you people didn't bring red wine for me.
No problem. We'll bring everything. Don't worry.
Okay. Let me go and.
It's all right.
It's
so bad.
Sorry, sir. Is that your son?
Ona Juma. Onya asieba po oginwa mono.
Okwa ni jibiki eba. Derum na
alume.
What does that mean?
Vagabond. The boy be vagabond.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work? No. Falling in love with plans. Falling in love with plans. These plans in your heart.
I don't understand. Tochi, what is the meaning of this? Tochi, what are you doing? Are you okay? Are you mad? You just came out and you saw food that you started eating. Are you sensible at all? Tochi, I went to the market, came back and I made this food. That's nice. And now you think you have monopoly over it? Are you mad? No. Tochi, I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what?
No. Why this disrespect?
So
what is it?
No, I can't eat in my own husband's house.
So if you
can't you say I'm pregnant?
You're pregnant.
Try this.
So because you're pregnant, you feel you can't cook. Then Toshi, stop. Please, stop.
You want to be unfortunate. Don't upset me. Drop this plate.
Are you stupid? No, are you dumb?
No, you're the stupid one here.
What's it?
Can't you say I'm pregnant? Are you so blind?
You're pregnant.
No,
so
what?
what?
You expect me to go into the kitchen and
You're pregnant. So what?
What's going on here?
It's your stupid. Who is your babe? It's your lazy, stupid wife. She can't even allow me to eat. She's insulting me because of food. Come on, my friend, drop this food here. Look at her.
Can you imagine?
What's going on here?
Babe, I went to the market, came back, prepared this meal, dished it out for me to eat, went inside to get a cup of water, only for me to come out and she's eating my food.
And
telling me that she's pregnant, and because she's pregnant that she has monopoly over every food in this house.
Yes.
What's that supposed to mean?
Did you buy the food with your money? Whose food is it?
Okay. Let's have it.
Is this your house? It is my money, right?
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah, that's all I have to say. Can't you see she's pregnant? Why are you so wicked? Huh?
Because she's pregnant, she wants to swallow everything in this house.
Are you this wicked? So you don't want her to feed? She's very hungry. She's carrying my child. You need to let her eat whatever she wants. Don't touch her again, or you have me to contend with.
Samson, I made this food.
I don't care.
Myself.
And so, because you made the food, I should go into the kitchen and cook.
Hey,
I see your parents.
I want to cook.
Are you stupid? I'm talking and you're still eating.
No, Flora,
There's something wrong with your Don't even try me. Don't even try me. See, leave this.
Are you the shameless?
You're shameless.
Hello.
You're shameless one.
You're a shameless
You are the shameless one. You're very stupid. Because I've been keeping you calm.
Baby,
Because I've been keeping you calm. Because
heaven will come down.
Are you alright?
Heaven will come down.
What's wrong with you?
You slapped me.
You're beating my wife right in front of me.
You slapped me.
Get out of this place. Get out.
Just like that. What do you mean get out? She will
back.
apologize
Come
to
back
me.
here. Come back here. How dare you slap her in front of me?
Yes, that's the man.
Don't you have respect? How dare you slap my wife in front of me?
A pregnant wife.
Have you gone nuts? Now apologize to her. What?
You heard me. Never.
What?
Never.
I said I apologize to her. Now.
Samson, leave me alone.
I said apologize to her.
Samson.
I said apologize to her.
Hello, officers. Oh, you and your team are already on the way? Oh, very good. Yes, I'll be waiting. Fine. They're close. What is wrong with that girl? How can she be threatening to stop the traditional wedding you are planning? Is she okay?
It's very unfortunate, sir. The truth is, she's not who she claims to be. And good a thing we sent her out of the company because she's actually a threat. You need to see the way she fought my wife.
And you allowed her live like that?
I dealt with her in my own way.
Oh, fine. Fine, that's nice. That's okay.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no.
Flora, I don't know why you girls of nowadays don't listen to the voice of the elders. I warned you when you wanted to embark on this journey called marriage, but you refused to listen to me. Now look at where it has landed you. Disgrace. Tell me, what have you gained in this hotel? Tell me.
Please, Uncle, please. I am tired of this your endless blame. What is it now? What is it? Since I came back to this house, you've been blaming me for one thing that I don't know or another. Won't I just rest? Allow me to have peace now. I just returned with headache, with swollen head.
What he's saying is the truth, but you refuse to listen to him because of your stubbornness. Now look at where it has landed you.
Mama, please, there is nothing wrong with my life. My life is perfect. Nothing wrong with it.
No, my
Your life is perfect
daughter.
with this your head. With this bandage on your head. Your life is perfect. With this bandage on your forehead. Huh? Okay. Is Samson's parents aware that you're back to this village?
Me, I don't know. Maybe Samson must have told them. I don't know.
He must have told them. Okay. See what you will do. You will pack your things and go and stay in Samson's parents' house.
No, Papa, no, she's not going anywhere.
And look at you. You're only living the worst. What's the name of those boys that are coming here disturbing me? What is that their names? Boniface and Paul. That's the kind of people you are mingling with. The other one is a paddle pusher. The other one Panwan Tapa. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed? See, let me tell you something. If I see any of them here talking about marriage or blah 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 blah, what I don't understand, I will skin your life. Because you can say, I'm not more than mother, I'm not way. You have to Papa, okay. Listen to me, Flora. You will pack your bags and go and stay with Samson's parents. I don't want them to see it as if you pack your things and run away from their son's house. So you have to pack your bag and go and stay with them. If I wait for them and I did not see them, I will come and meet them there myself. Then I will talk to them in a way and manner they will not like. Not the money that they have not paid your bride price. No problem. I will handle it. I will handle it.
There's no problem. I've heard you, Uncle. If you are sure that this is the only way that will ensure peace, there's no problem. I'll go.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
My daughter, how are you doing?
Papa, I'm getting better. It's just this constant headache. My brain.
It will soon relax.
Flora, I ask you again, please. What are you still doing in this house? What?
I am in my husband's house. You've been asking me to leave. Leave to where? Where do you want me to go to? No, answer me. Where do you want me to go to?
To your poor parents' house. Go back to your parents' house. Because you know very well there is no longer marriage between you and my son. So why are you deceiving yourself? Why? Why are you deceiving yourself, Flora? Go back to your parents' house.
Machi.
You know you are no longer married.
Machi, stop talking to her like that. Samson has never told me that Flora is no longer his wife.
Nani, Samson told me in the city that he's no longer marrying Flora, and she knows about it. She knows.
But he never told me. So wait patiently. Let him come back to this house and say that himself. Then I will know what to say. But for now, leave her alone, please.
Udogachi,
her alone.
You are your husband's house. No problem. But please now go and get ready. We are going to the farm right now. Yes. Are you not in your husband's house? You are. So let's go to the farm.
Me. Follow you to the farm. Me, Flora. Follow you to the farm. Mama, it will never happen. See, it will only take the gods of this land to appear in person and convince me to follow you to the farm. Otherwise, I go nowhere. I go nowhere. If you are so in need of laborers, go out there, get one, pay the person, and let them farm for you. What is it? Why can't I have peace in my own husband's house?
Hey, Enokwa, you now have the guts to challenge me. I talk 1, you talk 10. Hey, Flora, you now have the guts to challenge me. There is no problem. There is no problem. I will not disturb you again. Let my son Samson come back. I will see how you will be in this house in the next 5 minutes. Mama say, "Ebishi weti kega." Okwangi, no, stay in your husband's house. Relax, pass off, Mama.
You're not even concerned about my situation. You want me to follow you to the farm with my condition.
Which nonsense situation are you talking about? Which nonsense situation are you talking about? Who caused it? Rubbish. Please, get prepared and let's go to the farm. And I'm calling you. I'm not support. I'm not fear.
Yeah, hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, hi manager, how are you? I've been trying to reach you. Okay, so are you having a meeting? Okay, I'll be quick. I'm trying to access my account, but I can't. You know I have an event to prepare for, my traditional marriage. Yes. I'm trying to pay for some things and I can't access my account. Why? What? I have been blocked? Someone blocked my account? Who? Are you? Okay, I'll be there shortly. I'm coming there right away. I'm coming there right away. Okay. Where's that Jezebel?
Samson.
Papa, where's Flora?
What is it?
Where's that fool? Where's she?
What happened?
Where's Flora, Papa?
What happened? What happened?
Papa, there's fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain.
What happened, Samson?
My son,
What happened?
you are here.
Okay, man.
And why are you shouting? What happened?
Where's that Jezebel?
Jezebel.
Papa, it's a long story, but I'm going to make it short. I wanted to use some money. I tried to access my account, but I could not. So I called my bank to find out what the problem is. Guess what? They told me that my wife got a court injunction to freeze my account.
Why?
For what reason?
I don't understand. Papa, I don't understand. What nonsense!
Just
she froze my account. Why?
calm down. She is here. Let's hear from her.
Who the hell is she?
Please, calm down, my son. Calm down.
Who the hell is she? Because I married someone else.
It's okay.
What nonsense?
Calm down, Samson. Calm down.
Who the hell does she think she is?
Yes. Okay, I'm waiting.
Hello?
I am waiting, please.
Flora, my son just told me something now. Is it true? I'm talking to you, you're answering call.
Are you out of your mind? Why did you freeze my account? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad?
I'm waiting for you, okay?
Give me that phone.
No, leave her.
Are you crazy?
He will touch your phone.
Why did you freeze my account?
He will touch your phone.
My son, leave her.
Why did you...
Please, to deal with her.
Leave
I say leave her for what?
Why did you freeze my account?
Please let me hear from her, please.
Hear from who?
Papa,
She's
hear
not
from
even
her?
answering us.
Oh, you don't believe me?
I believed you. Please, let me...
You don't believe me?
I believed you.
Sorry, who the hell do you think you are?
No.
Don't
Please,
who
Samson,
the
hell do you think you are?
If you want to talk to me, you talk to me like you're responsible.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Samson, please. Is your father talking to you?
Leave him alone to deal with this girl.
Papa, warn him. Mama, warn him.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Warn him.
Please let me...
Let me go.
Samson.
Mama,
Papa, I'm going to kill this girl. I'm going to kill this girl.
Let me hear from her first, please. Let me hear.
Please. Hear from her. Why would she go and report to the police? Now why you're getting? Why would she do that? Why would you do that? And she's still making call though. She's still making call.
Are you still coming?
Hello? Wait. Oh, thank God you're here. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? Thank God you're here. You're welcome. I was about to call you. Sir, you stupid girl. You see the reason I fired her? She has been manipulating everybody. Can you imagine I called my bank to get some money to do something for the company and they told me that my account has been frozen. And when I investigated, I found out that she's the one responsible.
Samson.
Sir.
Your time is up.
My time where, sir?
I am here to take my daughter home. Her time with you is over.
Sorry, sir. Who's your daughter, sir?
Flora, of course, is my daughter, my only child.
How's that possible, sir?
I have everything planned out. Just to get something.
Sir, what did you plan, sir? You had everything planned out. What, sir? I don't know. I'm trying to understand you, sir. What do you mean, sir?
Flora, as you're aware that we have flank of establishments here and overseas, we're happy that you are back from UK after completing your master's degree. We want to say congratulations once again.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome home.
Thank you, Daddy.
We thought it wise that you return. The reason I asked you to come home straight as against your initial plan to go somewhere. Each time you need to take over in my capacity in the office.
Daddy, you know I am not well grounded in this business.
I was expecting that from you. But you'll be under the tutelage of my general manager. The young man is good at his job, but with caution, he is not a nice person, I must say this. But because he is so good at his job, I decided to retain him. What he does is embezzle my money with some other staff. And that he has been doing with some staff. They team up, and whenever someone in the office tries to trade his part, he will set him up and get him fired. This has been going on for donkey years, but like I say, I had a plan of bringing you into the company so that when you properly are grounded in the office, then I will fire him. But the top secret here is that he must not know, not anyone in that conglomerate must know you're my daughter. It's a plan, should I say a well-planned project to make sure that our office and the company stands the stability that it requires while you learn the precepts in that office. I want you to be careful with him and know the tricks in the office, since I'm not always around. Am I in line, sweetheart?
Yeah, honey, you said it all. But I want it to be a top secret. It's very important so we can be able to achieve this great idea.
Alright, it's okay, Mom and Dad. I've heard all you've said. Yeah, I'll try my best. I'll keep it a secret.
I'm so proud of you. You're welcome home.
Thank you, Dad.
Yes, let's talk about...
Baby.
make mention of a project you have at hand.
Okay, so it's about a project that I've been working on. Yeah. So you look at the graph.
I'm saying, who did the job? I think it's a perfect engineer. I'm seeing the long
Honestly, Mom and Dad, I am not lying. Like, I mean, can you guys imagine? Me, Flora. Hey, good.
You mean my general manager wants to date with you?
Daddy, honestly, you needed to have seen the way this guy was professing love to me, that he loves me, how he can't breathe without me, how he wants to spend the rest of his life with me. I was like, what is going on?
Wonders will never end.
What is going on? Make it make sense. From where to where? We just met. We just... Oh my goodness.
I have a plan.
A plan?
What plan?
Well, Flora will marry Samson.
I don't understand, Dad. What do you mean I should marry him? How? What are you trying to say? I don't get it, Dad.
What do you mean by that?
Well, I have a web I'm spinning. I would want both of them to go into what we call fake marriage. Only that we will not get the difficult maneuver that Samson has been doing in the office. When Flora gets in there as a wife, they will not have any reason to hide nothing from her. Then we will get the evidence that we need to get him fired in that office, and of course know what has been going in there without us knowing it. My idea, the thing quickly ran into my mind.
It's a good one.
You must have to play along, Flora. I'm spinning something. If we must save our family and save that company.
It's a good plan.
Okay, let's say I agree to marry him and he requests to see my parents. What are we going to do about it?
We'll get to the bridge. We'll cross it. This is it. So, Ichie Ejeze, you've listened to the strategies that I've put in place. I want you to act along and be very careful about this. And be rest assured of the 1 million naira I am promising you and the rest of others. I want you to know that this is a deal for all of us.
Chief Patrick.
Yes.
You said the young man's name is Samson.
Samson.
And you want me to play the role of your daughter's uncle.
Good.
Then my wife will play the role of your daughter's mother.
That's right. That's right. And one more important thing. Do not accept the bride price that will come up. Very important.
No. See, what I have to do is to relate with my wife and tell her everything we discussed. And also my daughter. I will tell her everything. Can I help you maybe mad here? You say you're going to give me 1 million naira.
1 million naira, and I'm waiting for your account.
Okay, don't worry. Before we finish this now, I will give you my account number. I will give you my account number. No problem. It is done. It is done already.
All your fraudulent activities in my company are all recorded, and I have the evidence. When my daughter came back from the UK, I saw that you fell in love with her. I had everything planned out. I planned that she come into your life, and so it happened. So to get evidence of how mean you've been in my company.
But sir, I've always
you
been
have
a
a
good...
case to answer
With the police.
Sir, but sir, but
just wait a minute.
But sir, hold on, sir.
Not into that point, sir. Sir, can I explain myself?
But sir, why would you play a prank like that on me?
Please, sir.
Yes, officer.
Hey!
Sir, hold on.
What do you go, officer? Sir!
Wait a minute, go there, go back.
Hey! Sir!
Stop touching him!
Please, sir, please. Please, sir, you don't have to do that. Please, sir, you will not do that.
The car keys in the car?
Yes, sir. Let me talk to my wife.
I'm not talking
Hey!
to anybody.
I'm sorry.
You are not saying anything.
Sir, let me talk to my best friend.
Can I talk to her, please?
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Shift back, don't.
Sorry, Flora.
Don't.
Can we have a
This is my
conversation?
only
please?
son. Please help me.
See, I'm
Please.
sorry for everything,
Don't
but
involve
there's a way we
me.
can handle this.
Sir, please.
Listen, I know I hurt you, but let's
Please, sir. I'm your best friend.
just
She
keep
will-
quiet. Keep
she
quiet.
will listen to me.
Just
She's my
keep
best
quiet.
friend.
I'm sorry.
Please,
about
help me.
everything.
This is my
I
only
promise
son.
I'm
Please,
gonna
sir.
make it right.
Please, don't do this.
It doesn't have to go back. Can you let me talk to her? Can I talk to my wife? Can I talk to my wife? Who's your wife?
Tochi, my daughter. Tochi, please. You see this cry you're crying at this time will not solve any problem in this situation. I have to be honest to you. This crying will not solve anything in this case now. So please, what I need you to do now is hold yourself. You see, Flora has collected everything. The car, the house. So if you should go back to the city now, where are you going to stay? You don't have where to stay. So, and you remember, the money they said your husband took from the company is too big that we cannot even afford to pay. So at this point, this is where we need your help and your father's help. So you need to call your father now to come down and help us. If your father cannot be able to come, please let him send the money to you so that we can solve this problem and release my son from the police cell. He has been there for days now, you know. Please.
Where will my father get the money from? My father don't have any money. My father don't have any money at all.
I didn't hear what you said, right? Please, can you explain? I don't understand. What did you say? I thought you told us that your father is a rich man based in America and has an oil company in Port Harcourt. Is that not what you told me?
Mama, I lied to you. I lied to you. My father don't have any oil company. My father only sells palm oil in Nko market. That Nko market in my village. My oil company is oil company. The most important is that it's oil. My father sells oil.
Wait, don't be offended. Please wait. You lied. Then who is your father, Tochi? Who is your father?
My father is that man you saw that day when people came to pay my bride price. And that house is my father's house, so we don't have any other house. It's my father.
Momo. Momo. Tochi has finished me. This girl has killed me. Your father's house is the place we came to pay your bride price.
Exactly. That house is my father's house.
That is your father's house? Yes. The man we pay to is your father.
Yes, it's my father. He cannot be one and only father.
Hey, you can't be saying this, please. Nani. Can you imagine? Did you hear what she said?
You people should not mention my name. Unu maritu unu serielu. Unu sikwe baharitu. Don't just call my name at all. You said you want your son to marry from a rich family. And he has done that for you. Then why are you crying?
Is that all you could say for your own son? Please. Is that all you could say now?
Just keep it to yourself, eh?
It's not fair, it's not fair, it's not fair. It's not fair. Hey, God. Thought you have finished me. You have killed my son. You mean you are a nobody? You are a poor wretched fool. And you deceived my son and I.
Mama, so you wanted your son to marry from a rich home. So I had to lie for you to accept me to be your daughter-in-law. It's not my fault.
You have to lie.
Yes, people don't want, nobody wants to marry the poor. I don't want to marry Nicole. You want to lie to endanger the life of my son. Look at it now. How do I do this? Who will help me out of this situation? Who will rescue my son? Just look at the whole thing now. Look at it. You caused the whole problem. Your father is a common palm oil seller in your import market. And you deceived me that your father is an oil that owns an oil company. How could you have done this to my son? How? How? Now who is going to rescue my son? How, Tochi? Who is going to rescue Samson, my husband? Who is going to rescue my husband, Samson? Samson. Samson want me to suffer. Samson, do not be well with you. Who is going to rescue my husband? What would I do? Mama, I don't want to suffer with this pregnancy. I cannot suffer. People should go and look for money and take care of me and my... If I slap you there, don't if I slap you, you will regret ever coming to this family. Are you mad? Go give me. You know, talk rubbish about pregnancy. I'm talking about my son's life. And you're here talking rubbish. I said, shut up your mouth. Are you mad? Shut up that gutter of yours. You fool from a wretched home. You come here and cause problem for my son. And you have the gut to talk. Don't worry. I will so deal with you. I will so deal with you. Useless. Mama, you say you want grandchildren. You don't want grandchildren again. This one needs your grandchildren. Mama, your grandchildren will not suffer. Don't worry. You will see what I will do to you in this house. And for you, you call yourself a man. You call yourself a husband. And your son is in police detention, lavishing, and you're here. You could not do anything. Nah, it will not be well with you. It will not be well with you if you don't do anything to help my son. It will not be well with you.
Flora, so this is your house? Like your parents' house? Girl, you're full of surprises. And you've been pretending all this while as if you are from a poor home. Are you kidding me?
Girl, do you know you can actually kill someone and bury him without any traces?
I mean, why should I blow my trumpet? In life, you should always learn to keep it simple. Simplicity matters a lot. You don't expect me going down the streets announcing to the world that I'm this, I'm that. It doesn't make any sense. We don't own this life. We don't own it. And yes, of course, Samson is a thief. A real thief. And I thank God for the grace to withhold all his excesses. I took in everything just so I could get enough evidence to nail him with. And I am proud of myself, girl, because I did it.
And I'm super proud of you too.
I know you were. I'm proud of myself indeed. So please, I need you to relax, feel comfortable. This is your home. Enjoy, eat whatever you want. I am here for you, okay?
That reminds me. How about Gozie?
Who is Gozie again?
Come on, you started again.
I beg you.
Gozie, I know you still may be wondering why I have invited you again in my house. I know that you have the part of shock knowing that Flora here is my biological daughter. I trained her and planned this whole thing for a purpose, but that's by the way. I still want to reaffirm that you read married in the university?
Yes, sir.
Good. I've tried so many times to telephone your concerns with money, but you proved to me beyond reasonable doubt that you truly love my daughter. I want to ask you, what do you really need from my daughter?
Chief, your daughter and I have come a long way. I've known her for quite some time now. I love her so much. And even now, the love is stronger. Please, I want to humbly request that you give us your blessing. I want to marry her.
Flora, you heard him. What do you have to say?
Yes, Dad. Jose has been my friend. Friends don't love us. I'm really not. And I'm hoping you will give us your consent, like you go ahead and go there.
Do you have anything to say?
Yeah. If you will give them your consent to fulfill the promise they've made to each other, I will support them. The main thing to me is my daughter's happiness. Their happiness matters to me.
Well, I give my consent. One more thing, which is the bigger picture. I want you to pay attention to Flora here. You will be under her tutelage, and she'll make sure that you are well branded in the company. You'll be working not just in the company, but now the company belongs to both of you. Let us not lose sight of the bigger picture. I am going to transfer the sum of 400 million into the company's account for smooth running of the company.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's okay. Just stand up. Well, come on. Stand. Do this now. Let me just bless two of you. If I be your father, you will bear female children and male children. You know, my mother loves you so much, so you're going to do her proud by living happily with this young man. Everything good will come both your ways, and you will be prosperous.
Amen.
As I've been living happily with my wife, so it shall be in your own house. Nothing shall by any means harm you. May you go in peace and live in peace.
Sweat can never be in vain. My 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 sweat can never be in vain. Nothing is hidden under the sun.